Yes, very good evening, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Hello, everyone. How are you all? Yes, show me your presence fast. Very good evening, Divya. Waiting. Very good evening, sir. Waiting for nice class. Very good evening, beta. Very good evening to all of you. Yes, Kiran, Dipanshu, Mohammed Sohail, Gurudev. Sorry, Gaurav, Mohammed Sohail, Devraj, Mohammed Akif, Parche, Ajay, Shagufta. A very good evening, sir. Yes, beta. Bihullah, how are you, sir? Waiting energetic, eagerly for your class. Very good evening, Parth, Mayank, Santikya, Monica, Shankar, SRO. Yes, Sushil, Rituraj, Anmol, Pooja, Anirudh, Tumpa Sen, Mayank, Neha, Kailashvi. सही नाम लिया बेटा आपको, नाराज मत होना. मोहम्मद, सुरेंद्र, मनीष, शाइना, नैन्सी, Divya again, very good. Rashmita, Varun, and all rest of the student. सर मैं बहुत मस्त, आप कैसे हो? एकदम मस्त बेटा. Valdmani and all rest of the student. It's not possible to take all the name. Anyways, we have to go far. So come on, let's start today's session, everyone. So this is the first time in which I will move to the next topic, since I requested in last two class that whenever you will come in the next class, kindly revise first up to the last class, because we have very lengthy chapter and we have to complete this along with the practice, along with all the adjustment in limited lectures. So I am going to discuss further. Very good evening. Very good evening. Okay, Ankur, today we shall be working on that. Okay, today in the first example you will get the same thing. Okay, don't worry. First of all, everyone, come on, let's start and give me a ready, everyone. Give me a ready fast. I am waiting that you all are energetically ready for the wonderful chapter. बेटा I have already uploaded. नहीं बेटा अभी लेट नहीं हुई बेटा, स्वाति अभी लेट नहीं हुई बेटा. Sir, you have not uploaded. Beta, I have uploaded after each and every class. I always upload PDF. The second part is pending still from the ICAI side. That is to allow, and that is also just due to very urgent reason. And don't worry, maybe ICAI will publish today. I have informed them. Yes, very good evening, everyone. Come on, let's start. So ready. Yes, that's the thing I want. That's called energy. Beta, you have practiced up to this AS21. You have practiced up to this without adjustment. Beta, AS21 is for consolidation. We are working here for the purpose of consolidation. What accounting standard 21 says. Study material has been updated with some more examples. Still, the concept is very easy, and there is nothing which can be tough for you, but you must have a good practice. So beta, you have practiced up to the last class, final account with adjustment. Like if I would refer you that in the 11th class you have practiced, in the foundation class you have practiced final account without adjustment, and then you are moving to the adjustment. So first we have to check the list of the adjustment. Those will come in the question during this chapter. No sir, previous PDF uploaded, not uploaded. सर भूल गए अपना आपने नाम नहीं लिया. नहीं बेटा मानसी, ऐसा नहीं है बेटा. अब तो तबीयत ठीक है तुम्हारी, मैं नाम लेता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. गुड इवनिंग सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू बेटा. कम ऑन, लेट्स स्टार्ट. बेटा फर्स्ट नोट these adjustments. Okay, we shall practice like we are in face-to-face class. So I will give you all the examples in the live mode. Okay, I will not show you the already recorded example. So beta, let's start this practice. Beta, these are the 9 adjustments only. 9 adjustments, sir. We have to practice with 9 adjustment. Yes beta, but the common approach is there. Like I have given here star number 1. Yes, sir. We have seen this is screen. Star number 1 and star number 2 is there. Yes. Beta, first I am explaining you star number 1. Fine, beta. Fine, Mansi. Beta, star number 1. See, dividend adjustments are there. Bonus adjustments are there. Beta, you have already understood the concept related to dividend. Do you know dividend adjustments? You in the final account chapter, company final account, you have practiced? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have done. पर हो सकता है बेटा आपको याद ना हो. Maybe you are not able to recall. Don't worry. I will also recall the basic concept. Still, but first I want to give you one approach. Please note it down that for star number 1, 2, 3, star number 1, which is representing point number 1, point number 2, and then point number 8. For these 3 adjustments, there is common steps. Means if we learn a common step and that will apply for all these 3 adjustments, then that will be the approach to solve the question. Means, sir, means beta, all the adjustment related to these list will be applied. Will be applied. Sir, do we write this? Beta, yes, you should write this, but don't worry, you will find the PDF also. Don't worry, don't try to note. रहने दो अभी बेटा, बाद में note कर लेना. Later on, please. First, you must understand that these are the adjustment. Okay, beta, because I do not want to delay in the class practice. Beta, these 3 adjustment. For these 3 adjustment, we have a common approach to practice. Star number 1 I have written here. So there are 3 steps only: dividend, bonus issue, and abnormal loss. Step number 1. Come on, sing a song. Step number 1. Add the figure. Add the figures. Where it was deducted. Means from where such was deducted, there add back, and then apply the time adjustment, and then re-effect the items from the profit from where it should be deducted. Sir, not able to understand. Don't worry. I will discuss these things later. But before that, I want to practice with you all an example. Okay? Sir, मैं तो पॉपकॉर्न लेके आ जाऊं. Yes, बेटा, लेके आ जाओ बेटा रामझा. चलो, let's start. Please start to note this example. And what is the example number? Let me know. Up to the last class, what was the example number we have covered? And now number series will be there so that we may refer to each and every one that example number that was there in which sir has done this kind of practice. Sir, new years कब करेंगे बेटे? किशन कांत बेटा, आई थिंक तुम फर्स्ट टाइम मुझसे कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, है ना किशन बेटा? हुआ क्या, देखिए अब हमारा ना एएस खत्म होने वाले हैं. एएस 21 खत्म, उसके बाद में तो बहुत छोटे छोटे टॉपिक हैं, एएस 23 और 27. ओके बेटा, जब हम इस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, लेंथी चैप्टर है, इसमें कम से कम 2 क्लास और लगेगी अभी हमारी. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद हम लोग नए एएस पे आएंगे. ओके बेटा, एग्जांपल नंबर 7. ओके ओके, सो बेटा प्लीज राइट डाउन हियर एग्जांपल नंबर 7. Before the exam, you need to revise only the example and you will get the conceptual clarity. Come on, let's start the example. This is the balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. Come on everyone, prepare the balance sheet. In exam, you will find the vertical balance sheet. So we are practicing even with the example in the same manner. Come on. So equities and liabilities, in which you are finding here A, equity, share, capital. Please note it down. B, reserves and surplus, in which you are finding profit and loss account balance and beta general reserve account balance. Okay beta Jyoti, don't worry, nothing is left, be relaxed. This is the first example we are starting and nothing has been discussed new. Profit and loss, then general reserve, and then current liability, current liability, current liability, current liability. Yes, current liabilities and provisions. Suppose creditors are there. Okay, creditors are there. Please note down the figures. 3 lakhs, 1,20,000. Then, oh, wait a minute. 3 lakh is the amount of share capital and 1,20,000 is the amount of share capital. Here, profit and loss account is rupees 40,000 and then 30,000. About general reserve 20,000 and then 40,000. माधव शुरू हो गया. माधव अभी क्लास तो शुरू होने दो. अभी तो शुरू है. जब नशा छाएगा तब मजा आएगा, है ना. राम और झाल लिमिटेड नहीं, हम माधव और तिवारी लिमिटेड भी बनाएंगे. माधव अभी रुको रुको जरा, पहले नोट तो करो. हाँ जी. टोटल 7 lakh, and after that this is the asset side. Please note it down. A, non-current assets. Example number 8 है ये. Oh, okay. Please change number. This is example number 8. Everyone, please change the number of example so that we may refer to each other. If you are having any doubt, if you are about to discuss anything in the class, then you may refer the example number and that must be common. Non-current assets in which you are having property, plant and equipment first. That is how much? 5 lakhs. Beta, I am not taking study material example, don't worry. Maybe past examination question, maybe more than that advanced question. Okay beta, study material questions are really very easy, so please be comfortable. We are doing more than that. Non current investments in which you are having investment in S Limited. How much? Beta, it's 60%. 60% investments were done. Beta, this is example which have been created by me. Okay beta, so it's my request, it's not in the study material. So we shall be practicing study material. Before that, I want to practice with all of you all the concept. So please, it's my request, don't be panic or don't message like this, sir which example number, because these are the examples which I am taking for you for discussing each and every concept. Okay beta, so let's practice. Anyways, 1,40,000. You will feel all the study material will be sold in one shot, and you will feel more confidence. Don't worry. That's my responsibility. But first, practice in the way in which I want to practice with all of you. Seven lakhs and then 4 lakhs. Now question will give you Lokesh बेटा बहुत देर बाद में आए हो सर प्लीज आफ्टर दिस एक्सप्लेन एडजस्टमेंट वंस इन हिंदी ओके बेटा अनमोल चिंता मत करो मैं तो वैसे भी हिंदी में बोलते ही हूँ पर फिर भी अगर कहीं लगे तो ऐसे ही बोल दिया करोगे सर हिंदी में बताओ ठीक है एनीवेज क्वेश्चन विल गिव यू सम information in the question that number one information question will give you in this way the date of acquisition. Can I write this DOA? Everyone please, I am writing this. Yes beta, you will get all the PDF. Okay beta, don't worry. So please write this in this way: date of purchase, date of acquisition of shares in the subsidiary. Here is January Jan 1st 2023. बेटा डू यू नो गाना नहीं गाना ये बैलेंस शीट की डेट है. दिस इज द बैलेंस शीट ऑफ this is the balance sheet dated 31st March 2023. But H Limited acquired the share capital in the subsidiary company 60% to become the holding on January 1st 2023. So DOA means the date of acquisition of shares in the subsidiary company. So beta January 1st 2023. Next, second point. Reserves and surplus balances as at beta or year. Please go slowly. Okay beta Srinivas, I am going slowly. If it's still you are feeling that class is fast, please update me. I will update that. I will be more slow. I missed the last class. Don't worry बेटा आशुतोष, ट्राई करो कि यहाँ से पकड़ लो, फिर पेन मत चलाओ, बस दिमाग चलाओ, कैलकुलेटर चलाओ, बस बाकी सब अपने आप हो जाएगा. सर सब आपके जैसे बोलते तो क्या बात थी. इट्स माय रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. यू आर अमेजिंग सर. बेटा बोलते नहीं है, करते तो है ना बेटा. सब टीचर्स मेहनत तो कर ही रहे हैं, मैं देख रहा हूँ यूट्यूब पे सभी लोग, है ना भैया. सर प्लीज ए स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम मी, कंप्लीट एग्जांपल फुल्ली एंड देन टेक क्वेरी in between. You are taking query, it disturb the concept completeness. Okay beta Ramdevi, yes that's the thing. Very good, I will follow that. Anyways, reserve and surplus balance as at 1st April 2022. beta question will give you the reserve and surplus balance of beginning of the year. beta you know in which year you are preparing the CBS. Sir 31st March 2023 is the ending date of year. Yes. And at which date we have to prepare the consolidated financial statement. Means holding has to prepare some extra balance sheet. Do you know the individual balance sheet is there? Question has given you that these are the balance sheet which have been prepared by them on this balance sheet date individually. But holding company is to prepare one more extra balance sheet, and it's your duty now as per this question that you have to prepare that for 31st March 2023 consolidated balance sheet. That is the extra reporting by holding company in addition to such individual. Anyway, so beta what question is giving you? The opening balance of subsidiary company, reserve and balance, this one of S Limited. How much amount is there? So profit and loss account and reserve and surplus. Beta see, in the reserve and surplus you are having profit and loss and general reserves. So question will give you the profit and loss account balance and general reserve balance. Okay, and that is amounting to rupees 12,000 and 24,000. Okay beta, thank you beta. Balance, after this balance beta, now question is giving you, is question giving you anything? No, question is not giving you anything. Now question is asking you, you are required, you are required, you are requested to prepare CBS of H limited with S limited. Okay beta. Okay, I want to show you this question for a minute, okay, so that you may note this question completely and there may not be any confusion. Okay beta, so I am showing you this on full screen for a minute. I hope you have noted that. Okay, now let's start the solution. सरपंच इन हिंदी, बेटा सब कुछ तो हिंदी में बता दिया बेटा, मैंने कोई शॉर्ट फॉर्म नहीं ली. जनरल, अच्छा जीआर जनरल रिजर्व, पीएल एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ओके राहुल, पीएनएल और जनरल रिजर्व, यस. कम ऑन लेट्स स्टार्ट बेटा. वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर a consolidated financial statement. So I am copying first the format so that we may save our time. Wait a minute. So beta, I have prepared a format, everyone. Just a minute, I am looking to your message. Wait a minute. This is what solution. Balance sheet. Rather, I would like to say consolidated. Consolidated balance sheet of H limited with S limited as at 31st March. Yes. So beta, I have prepared a format. Now I am waiting that some messages are there to get response. Yes. Now सर वंस इन दी, सर जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म बेटा वो तो मैंने बता दिया सर. इन्वेस्टमेंट इन होल्डिंग कंपनी इज 1,40,000 बट शेयर कैपिटल ऑफ सब्सिडी कंपनी is 1,20,000. Okay, that doesn't matter beta. You are purchasing shares in the market and that totally depends on the market at which price you are buying. That is your cost. Where is that question in module? से बेटा I have already informed that this is not the question of module. Okay बेटा, सर जी कहते हैं किसी का आपकी लाइफ में आना किसी रीजन से होता है. वाह, मेरे सीए बनने में आप बहुत बड़ा रीजन होंगे सर. वाह, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा राहुल, थैंक यू वेरी मच. सर क्वेश्चन इज गिवन स्टडी मटेरियल और नोट? नो बेटा नो, आई हैव टोल्ड ऑलरेडी. ओके सर, अंडरस्टूड, इट इज ओनली 60%. यस बेटा पूजा. सो कैन आई स्टार्ट नाउ? Can I start now? Give me ready. And I will request the same thing which one of the student was saying, sir, during the discussion, it break the flow. So beta, the same thing I am telling you, that it will be better that for the during the solution, you please don't message for the point which are not so much discussable. Okay, but I am discussing in 100% clarity. Don't worry, I will go with the depth. But still, if you feel that something has not been covered, then you can ask. Okay, so please prepare a format first. Now, how will you present in the exam? The same format is there. So I will change here word reserve and surplus, that is consolidated reserve and surplus. I would like to say consolidated reserves and surplus, and for which there will be some working note. Now let us see, this is the format and we are preparing here some workings. So first of all, as I told you, from the next class I will prepare the graph as a working note. With a working note number 1, that is what? Graph. Graph is the way by which you can control the full question. Beta see, first of all, I am discussing the question, and please see, please stop your pen. Question has given us this data. 1/4/2022 is the starting of year. Okay sir, okay sir. 31st March 2023 is the end of year. Okay sir, okay sir. Now beta, this is the balance sheet date, CBS balance sheet date. Okay beta, at this date we have to prepare CBS, and in the S limited balance sheet some data has been given regarding the reserve and surplus. Please see, reserve and surplus has been given, and what the amount is there? Profit and loss account and general reserve balance has been given. Yes sir, yes sir. Profit and loss account and general reserve balance has been given. Okay, what is the amount beta? See, you can note it down, but after discussion with me. First I will discuss with all of you, because there may be some changes on the graph. So 12,000 is the opening balance and 24,000 is the opening balance. That is what? That is the total balance is there, that is 36,000. So at the year starting, it was 36,000 in the pocket of S Limited under the head reserve and surplus. So S Limited was having in its opening balance sheet reserve and surplus, profit and loss account amount 12,000 and general reserve amount 24,000. Next, but during the year, what happened? I don't know what happened, but at the year end we found that the profit and loss account balance has become 30,000 and general reserve has become 40,000. So total in the pocket of S Limited at the year end there was 70,000 amount. So can you say that profit earned during the year, net profit earned during the year, total how much? 34,000, out of which you can find out individually the figure of P&L and general reserve also. Don't worry. But what happens? The main point is that, come on everyone, main point is that is, please see, please stop your pen now. Main point is that the date of acquisition is what? That is January 1st. Means on 1st Jan 2023, H Limited purchase 60% shares. That is the date of acquisition. Everyone, this is the date of acquisition. Please understand and recall the concept. Such a type of concept you have already learned in any other chapter, and that is none other than investment, AS13. Beta, in which what happened? There are some pre-acquisition period and some post-acquisition period. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is the date of acquisition. Can I say such 34,000 was earned during the previous year? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Such 34,000 is not the figure of one date, of course. So beta, so please wait before answering anything. First understand. Okay beta. So beta, total amount is what? 34,000 that has been earned during the previous year. But will you please tell me what is the pre-acquisition period amount? What is the pre-acquisition period? Sir, that is very simple. Sir, before the date of acquisition, sir, this is the this is the this is what? This is the pre-acquisition period. So can I say up to this, the profit earned will be called as will be called as pre-acquisition period profit? Yes, of course. Up to this, each and every profit will be called as pre-acquisition period profit. So beta, so this will be called as pre-acquisition profit. Beta, this profit is not of revenue nature. Yes, of course. Hence, we have to segregate this profit so that we may calculate the correct profit that belongs to the pre-acquisition period and that belongs to the post-acquisition. Beta, this is what analysis of profit which we are doing in the working note. Okay, beta, analysis of profit. Please understand. So since each and everything is clear, such a type of profit is of capital in nature. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And the post acquisition profit is of revenue nature. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Beta, this is what? Revenue nature. And before that, profit was capital nature. So first we have to segregate this profit, because only the profit that belongs to the pre-acquisition period, that is called recovery of cost. April to December, 9 months. Yes, beta, of course, very good. Everyone is answering perfect. So this is what 9 months period profit will be called pre, and beta 3 months period profit will be called post acquisition period. So easy it is, highly easy. Whatever we can say, huge easy. Beta, now what we have to do? Sir, we have to calculate post acquisition profit also, because that is revenue nature. And AS21 says add that, consolidate line by line. It means we have to add revenue nature profit of subsidiary company, in which our share, holding company share, that will be added to revenue nature profit of holding company. So revenue nature will be added with revenue nature, and capital nature will be treated as what? Capital nature we treat in our books. Okay beta, now see. Sir, I did not get that why you said this is not revenue nature, because pre-period. Yes beta, you know, in AS13 you have also learned what? The pre-acquisition dividend. Okay beta, that has been distributed out of pre-acquisition profit, or the profit that the dividend that belongs to pre-acquisition. So beta, that will come here. And the date of investment is what in our balance sheet? This is the date of investment. Okay beta, so before that everything is our pre, just like recovery of cost. Hence we usually reduce from the cost of investment. Now please see everyone. So how much amount is the pre-acquisition profit? Sir, we shall do individually. Yes beta. Sir, we shall do individually. Yes beta. Sir, 12,000 into 9 by 12. Sir, out of profit and loss. 9,000 becomes pre. Oh, so easy it is. And sir, 3,000 will become post. 12,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 12 is equal to what? 3,000. That will become. Oh, कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? ना गड़बड़ हो गई बेटा. This is not 12. Wait a minute. 12,000 is opening, so difference is what? 18,000. Yes, 18,000. Sir, 18,000 is the profit. If we add in 12, then becomes 30. It means we have to distribute such 18,000 in pre and post. So beta, first 18,000 will be distributed. Do you know 18,000 how it came? Difference of 30 and 12, because 12,000 is the opening and that has become 30. So 34 is being analyzed individually account wise. So profit and loss account, 18,000 multiplied by 9 divided by 12. How much amount is there? Who will tell me? I'm waiting. And 18,000 multiplied by 9 divided by 12. How much amount is there? Who will tell me? I'm waiting. Who will tell me? Pre-acquisition P&L amount. Rupees this one. Pre-acquisition amount. How much? Very good. Very good answer by everyone. Very, very good. So this is what? 13,500. So easy. Wow. Very, very good. So balance part is what? How much amount is that? Sir, 18 में से 13 का बचे 5. Sir, ये तो बच गया 4,500. Very, very good. Now please see. What about next? Beta, 24,000 at the beginning in the P&L account. Sorry, general reserve account. And while at the end of the year, we are finding that such has become how much? Such has become how much? 40,000. It means beta, 16,000 is the difference. Okay. So 16,000 is the difference. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So out of such 16,000, if we want to find out the 9-month profit, then we can easily find out. How much amount is that? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Come on, everyone. Let me know. Who will tell me first? Answer me fast. I can give answer, but I want answer from all of you. And also the answer that you are learning this or not. This is totally analysis of profit. We have to separate the capital nature and revenue nature profit, pre-acquisition and post-acquisition. Beta, any 18,000 came in this way. While you are comparing this 12 with 30, 12 has become 30. How? Difference is 18,000. That has been the earned profit during 12 months. Out of that difference, 13 and 12, the difference is how much? 18,000. That is the profit earned during the 12 months. Out of that, we are segregating the capital nature profit, that is 9 months. That's the reason I always prefer practice through example first. Next, but what about this amount you have told me? 12,000. Very good. Same is the case with general reserve. Beta, any? I am waiting for your answer that you have got the answer of your doubt. Come on, let me know. Very, very good. And all the person are answering. Very good. Beta, any? I want to listen the answer from you because you are asking the doubt. So now, such 24,000 and such 40,000 will be compared, and the difference we have find out how much? 16,000. So 16,000 is the net profit earned, and that has been transferred to general reserve. And out of that, first we have to calculate pre-acquisition profit and then post-acquisition. So everyone has answered me perfect. So 12,000 is the amount, and rest what amount is that? 4,000. 16,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 12 is equal to what? 4,000. Beta, if you will total all these figures, that will become 34,000. Now everyone, can you please tell me exactly what is the total of pre-acquisition profit? If I want to ask you, everyone, exactly what is the total of pre-acquisition, and what is the total of post-acquisition profit. So 13,500 plus 13,500 plus 12,000, how much it becomes? 25,500 is the pre-acquisition profit. So easy, so easy. अंकुर कुछ कह रहे हो क्या बेटा? मैं देख नहीं पाया तुम्हारा मैसेज, अगर कुछ पूछ रहे हो तो अंकुर दोबारा भेजो बेटा मैसेज, अगर कुछ पूछ रहे हो तो। पी लिखा हुआ है ना, इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ। एनीवेज, व्हाट अबाउट द total of post acquisition, how much the profit has been earned, whether that has been transferred to P&L appropriation account in the balance sheet, or that has been transferred to the general reserve. What the amount we have earned in the post acquisition? 4,500 plus 4,000, that has become 8,500. So easy, how easy it is. This is called time adjustment. What we can say, this is called time adjustment. Okay beta, thank you so much beta. Monica, thank you so much babu. This is 3 months. Yes, by mistake I have written 9 months. Yes, 3. Very good, thank you. Now please see everyone. So beta, this is called time adjustment. What we shall call this adjustment? Time adjustment beta. Now please everyone, we are moving to the main solution, working note of the question. Working note number 1 is what? Cost of control. Come on everyone, this is what? 60%. Yes sir. Cost of control. What about next? Working note number 2. Beta, please practice with me. Working note number 2. Minority interest. %40. यस सर, मैं भी तो कब से बता रहा हूं। पार्थ, ओके बेटा पार्थ, सर हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कीजिए। ओके बेटा राम, ये अब हम वही कर रहे हैं जो हम करते आ रहे हैं पिछले क्लास तक। ठीक है बेटा, हमने क्या किया? एनालाइज वहीं पे कर लिया। वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1 बना करके, वर्किंग नोट नंबर 2 बना करके, फिर वर्किंग नोट नंबर 3 बनाएंगे, और फिर हम वर्किंग नंबर 4 पे वही करेंगे। वर्किंग नोट नंबर 3, consolidated reserve and surplus. Everyone, how many heads we are having in our reserve and surplus head? Sir, so easy it is. We are having 2 heads. Number 1, P&L account, okay, and number 2, general reserve. If we are preparing consolidated reserve and surplus, it means first, holding companies profit will be there. How much amount they are having as balance? So can we write it? Yes, we can write it, because we know what the amount of the balance they are having. H Limited, come on, let me know what the balance you are having already in revenue. So easy. H Limited is having these amount. Understand everyone? 20,000 and 40,000. These are the balance which we are having already in the reserve and surplus of H Limited. And the revenue nature profit out of, come on everyone, please understand, out of these there will be some capital nature, some will be capital nature, and some will be revenue nature. That is to be analyzed. You have already analyzed. Okay beta, now we have to see what the amount is there which can be called as capital nature and which can be called as revenue nature, and that will be referred in our working note by pre-acquisition and post-acquisition. So 40 is for P&L, 40 is for P&L, and 20 is for general reserve. Yes. Now, some of the amount will come from subsidiary company, and that will be called post acquisition either reserve or profit loss in which our share, who's that? Our share, who's that? H limited shares. Oh, from S limited in the revenue profit, from S limited. Sir, there will be our share of capital nature. Yes, beta. That will be adjusted in working note number 1, pre-acquisition profit. Okay. So we shall calculate in next working note and that will be added here. Beta, this will be the steps to do the practice. So I am looking for the message now. Sir, 18,000 3 month वाले में change कर दिया, 9 लिखा है आपने. Wait a minute. कहाँ पे लिख दिया? अच्छा, वो चेंज कर दिया. सर, दिस डायग्राम इज लाइक अम्ब्रेला शैतान. अंडरस्टूड ग्राफ सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. ओके बेटा. सर, लाउड मत पढ़ाना. आपकी स्वेटर आपके स्वेटर बहुत अच्छी है और लास्ट वाला भी अच्छी थी. वाह वाह माधव वाह, ये सबसे जरूरी था, तुमने बता दिया. थैंक यू सो मच बेटा. कौन से साइट से परचेज करते हो बेटा? मम्मी लाती हैं कपड़े आज भी. एनीवेज सर, व्हाई प्री एक्विजिशन एंड period profit is called capital nature? Because beta, that is the profit that has been earned pre-incorporation, like pre-acquisition. Beta, you have already learned that in AS 13. Anyways, working note number 4. So beta, now we are moving to working note number 4 and that is really very, very important working note. Rather, I would like to say you have already practiced this. Yes. You have already analyzed the profit into 2 parts. You have already covered this. Pre-acquisition, general reserve and profit and loss. Post-acquisition, general reserve and profit and loss. And closing balance is also there. Please see what I am writing here, everyone. See, analysis of profits. Profits means complete. दिव्या कह रही ग्रेट माधव ब्रो, वाह. एक ने तो गुडविल बता दी. वेरी गुड बेटा ऋतुराज. रेवेन्यू 8. ओके बेटा, लेट्स सी. डोंट रीड लाउड. बट आपने सबके साथ. ओहो, अरे सॉरी यार माधव, आई एम सॉरी. सॉरी माधव, अब मैं समझ आया डोंट रीड लाउड का मतलब क्या था. ओके ओके, मुझे लगा वो आपने कुछ डाउट पूछा होगा क्योंकि मैं सभी के डाउट बेटे जेन्युइनली पढ़ता हूँ ना बेटा. सॉरी. एनीवेज, प्लीज don't take it otherwise. Anyways, pre-acquisition profits. What is the date of acquisition, everyone? What is the date of acquisition? Beta, that is up to 1st Jan 2023. Beta, what is post-acquisition? Post-acquisition profits. See, after 1st Jan 2023. Beta, this is what? Closing. This is what? Closing balance. Closing balance. Beta, at which date we are consolidating? Okay beta, please understand. At balance sheet date. Beta, in next questions I will not give so much of depth noting here. Okay beta, so please understand in this question because we have to save our time also. Okay beta, at CBS date, at balance sheet date. Okay beta, the balance as at balance sheet date. Beta, now how many type of balances we are having? Sir, we are having profit and loss account and general reserve in our reserve and surplus. Out of that, what are the balance is there? Okay, and at year end also we are having closing balance. Okay, what the profit and loss and general reserve we have earned in the profit post acquisition period. So I am writing here profit and loss account balance. Everyone, please let me complete first. Please let me complete first only P&L part. Please let me complete first P&L part. After that you will write. You must understand here presentation way, when you will be having not only one account in the reserve surplus, more than one account, maybe two, maybe three, maybe four, security PM, capital redemption reserve, many accounts may come. How you will write these things? Okay, beta, please understand first. So, beta, for this, our graph will help us. Beta, what the profit and loss account balance we are having at the beginning? So, in the beginning, 31st March 2000, sorry, 1st April 2022, we are having 12,000 balance in the profit and loss account. See this one. And sir, at year end, we are having 30,000. Okay. So I am writing only the P&L part first. Okay, beta. Come on, everyone. See, 12,000 is completely beginning. There is no any question that such will belong to pre or no. No, there will be no any question for this 12,000 because that is the opening balance. That is completely free. Sorry, that is completely pre-acquisition profit. Yes. Next. And what is the closing balance? That is how much? That is 30,000. So it is clearly implied that 18,000 is the profit that has been earned during the year. It seems that 18,000 is pre-acquisition, sorry, post-acquisition profit, but it is not. You know, in 18,000, some of the profit has gone. Some of the profit belongs to pre-acquisition. Yes. First, we have to analyze the same thing which we have understood on the graph. For that, we have to prepare a working note separately in the exam. That is working note number 4. That is called analysis of profit. Okay. Now, please understand. The same is the case with general reserve, everyone. Now, please move to the graph. 24,000 is 100% sure that that is pre, because that belongs to the pre-acquisition period of 1st April. Okay. Now, what about the 40,000? Sir, 40,000 is the closing balance. So, 24,000. 24,000 you will write here, and 40,000 you will write here, and the difference is there. That is what? How much? 16,000. So, beta, in this way you will present your answer in exam. See, rest all the column you must fill with the dash, that those are not applicable there. So, what the amount is there, which you can say, sir, in the pre-acquisition period, that 12,000 is profit and loss, and 24,000 is there, that is general reserve. 18,000 seems, and 16,000 seems post-acquisition. Now, we have to apply some time adjustment. Whatever you have learned on the graph, that is to be presented here in the presentable manner. Time adjustment. Beta Madhav नाराज तो नहीं होगी? Oh, okay. You are answering. Beta Madhav, please give message. मैंने read कर लिया था ऐसे ही, ठीक है? Adjustment. Time adjustment, beta now. Come on, everyone. What we have to do? Time adjustment. So first we are doing time adjustments in the same way. So out of this 18,000, 9th month profit is pre. So first we have to reduce here, from here, the profit of how much? 9 months profit. 18,000 into 9 divided by 12. But in this way you have to present the answer in exam. Yes, beta, that will be better, beta Manisha. Okay, beta. That will be better if you will note it down after completing the question. You have to understand, that will be much better. Okay, beta. So 18,000 multiplied by 9 divided by 12. You have already calculated that. What is the amount? So that is 13,500. We are removing from here 13,500 because that doesn't belong to this period. So that will be added in the period to which such belongs. So 13,500 belongs to pre-acquisition period. So we have shifted that to pre-acquisition period profits. Yes, very good. Now, sir, the next rupees 70,000. Okay, beta. Now, please see. No, there is no need to write the total of closing. Okay, beta, don't worry. If you want to write, then you can write, but there is no purpose of this column right now. Now, please see, everyone. Beta, what about this general reserve? In the general reserve, 16,000 seems the profit that belongs to 12 months. Okay, beta. Now what will happen? You will also shift some of the profit from here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So beta, 16,000 multiplied by 9 divided by 12. How much amount is that? That has been calculated by all of you. So that is 12,000. So you have shifted from here 12,000 to the pre-acquisition period. Yes. Plus 12,000. Madhav, I am waiting for your message. Okay. Thank you so much. Now, beta, see everyone. Beta, can you please tell me everyone what the total amount that belongs to pre? So our profit and loss account, now we can conclude that this is the total amount that will be called as pre-acquisition profit and loss, and this is the total amount that will be called as pre-acquisition reserves. So easy it is, so easy. Beta, is there any problem? I don't think so there will be any problem, because you are completely practicing in a slow manner. Beta, now please see, from the next question we shall practice fast. So please uh, clear your concept depthly in this question. How much amount is there that will be called as post acquisition? Sir, 18,000 minus 13,500, that is 4,500 is the remaining amount that will be called as the profit loss account remaining balance, post acquisition balance. And what about this? So 4,000 is the amount that belongs to post acquisition. So I hope everyone is clear. Now please understand, such profit will be distributed. Whatever the profit is there, out of that there will be two parts. One belong to external, because we are calculating here minority part. How much amount is there? Sir, since we are holding 60%, that doesn't belong to us, is 40%. No beta, it will not take so much of time. I am practicing with you, and the depth of this chapter is really huge depth. So we must practice in the first question in the slowing manner. Okay beta, because you are learning now adjustment. Beta, it usually came in the examination 16 marks. Okay. Anyways, now please practice. Beta, this is what holding company's part. Beta, it doesn't mean that I am saying that this is the S limited. No, beta. Out of S limited, how much belongs to H, that is here, and how much belongs to others, of which net assets we are added in the consolidation, full consolidation. Okay, beta, we have to calculate share capital and reserve surplus. Here we are calculating the reserve surplus part that belongs to external, and then we add that reserve surplus to the share capital of external, that is called minority interest, because this is what liability approach. So what the amount is there, sir? What the amount is there? Beta, out of this, come on everyone, 40% of 2,500, that is 10,200. And what about our share? Sir, 60%. Beta, 15,300 will be our share, that will be reduced from the cost of investment. टाइम एडजस्टमेंट का लॉजिक समझ में नहीं आया. चैप्टर नेम बेटा स्नेहा बेटा, chapter name is holding company beta, consolidated financial statement, AS21. Anyways, what about this beta? 40%, that is how much? 14,400. And then what about this 21,600? Can you please tell me next? Sir, 4,000, 20%, 4 4 16 1600, 4 6 24, 2,400. Next, 4 चौक 16, 5 चौक 20, 1,800. 2,700. Beta, whatever the nature of the profit for outsider, that doesn't matter for us, because that is not our profit. We shall add whatever, whether revenue or capitalization that belongs to outsider, will be added to the account of outsider. And what the total of these outsiders profit is? Come on everyone, let's do the total of the profit that belongs to outsider. These will be totaled without taking into consideration that is revenue nature or capital nature, because beta the profit belongs to the minority and minority will record in their books in the two parts, capital and revenue. We are not responsible for the books of minority because we are consolidating 100%, hence we are calculating the minority part. Beta how much amount is that? 28,000. 28,000 out of 70,000, 28,000 that belongs to. Yes, beta, that will be much better. Beta, that's another thing. In the working note, maybe you may find in the other book in different style. Okay, beta, in many writers have given their good approach. Beta, I have selected this approach and that will be very, very easy. Now, please see. Beta, what about rest? Beta, this will be first I am adding this 28,000 to the minority part because that doesn't belong to us. Minority, yes sir, yes sir. Minority, yes sir, yes sir. Your share is this one. Number one, equity share capital that will be coming. Don't worry. For the timing, please keep your all the profits, whether revenue or capital nature. So we are giving here the total of your figure, and since we do not need to calculate that pre or post, because there is no concern in our books for your part, so we are adding here completely. But for the profit that belongs to us needs to be segregated into two parts, that capital nature and revenue nature. Okay, so beta, this will be adjusted in working note number 1, cost of control. I would request that revise your AS13 concept investment, in which you have learned the pre and post. Anyways, now these will be transferred to working note number 3, that is what? Consolidated reserve and surplus, in which you are having the revenue nature profit. Okay beta, I hope I have not taken class in fast manner. I am going slow since one of the student has also requested, and everything is up to this. Okay, come on everyone. Now I am posting this consolidated reserve and surplus part first. This is 2,700 and then 2,400. So such has become how much? 42,400 and 22,400. I think there is some problem. Wait a minute. Okay, profit loss is 2,700. Profit loss is 2,700. Now everyone, please let me know. Crystal clear sir. ओके सर जी टाइम एडजस्टमेंट में दोबारा 9/12 क्यों किया पोस्ट एक्विजिशन प्रॉफिट में? बेटा राहुल, इसलिए बेटा देखिए हमने दोबारा कहाँ किया, जो काम हमने ग्राफ पे किया था ना, हम उसको यहां पर ऐसे करेंगे। ये ग्राफ तो हमने क्या किया था, ग्राफ तो बेटा हमने क्यों किया था बेटा बताओ? ग्राफ पे तो मैं आपको समझा रहा था कि देखो हम करने क्या जा रहे हैं, पर एग्जाम में खाली ग्राफ पे थोड़ा काम करके आएंगे, वहां तो हमें प्रेजेंटेशन देनी होगी ना बेटा। along with the presentation you can get the good marks and there must be separate working note. Okay, now please see sir, your speed is fine and understandable. Yes sir, understood. So I am waiting to get confirmation from all of you that everything is clear up to this. I am now posting the cost of control 15,000 better capital nature profit. Okay, so here what will happen? Here what will happen, sir? We shall write here investment amount. and from there we shall reduce the net assets acquired in which we shall be having two parts in the same way as equity share capital and number two, pre-acquisition reserves and surplus, because post-acquisition reserve and surplus belongs to us revenue that has been shifted here, this one, and the pre-acquisition profits are the recovery of cost of investment as we have learned in the AS13. Beta, this is no lengthy question, beta. Lengthy it is just to explain and present and to make you depth understanding first time. Okay, beta. Anyways, so beta, pre-acquisition profit is how much? Sir, we have taken here. That is profit and loss, and then general reserve, and that is how much we have already calculated profit loss. That is 15,300, and general reserve how much? That is 21,600. Please see. Once you will get this approach fit in your mind, you will practice in super fast manner. Don't worry. But first, keep this approach in your mind, because you are first time understanding the time adjustment and you applying. You have to apply the same thing in each and every question, beta. So can I say total? 5 और 6 हो गया 36,900. That is the total profit that belongs to you. Okay बेटा, स्क्रीन फ्रीज हो गई है? नहीं बेटा, मैं तो यूट्यूब पे साथ साथ देख रहा हूँ. स्क्रीन फ्रीज नहीं हो रखी है बेटा. देवराज, पूजा, क्लियर? Everything is clear. Great explanation, sir. Keep it up. Okay beta, thank you babu. Sir, consolidated reserve and surplus represent estimated reserve and surplus proportional revenue from. Very good beta Swati. Yes, absolutely perfect beta Swati. Now please see. Now everyone, this is the analysis which have been completed. Now start the practice in the same manner. What the investment we are having in the balance sheet? See, now we are moving line by line. Come on, we are moving line by line. Okay everyone, 3 lakhs and 1,20,000. Where you will post these? Come on everyone, 3 lakh will be posted in. 3 lakh will be posted where? 3 lakh will be posted? Sir, we are posting now these things completely. Equity share capital, yes. 3 lakh will be posted in our balance sheet, yes. 3 lakh will be posted here. Now we can move fast. Beta, share capital of subsidiary company how much? That is 1,20,000. Beta, that will be posted here in working note number 1 and 2. 1,20,000. 1,20,000 multiplied by 60% is how much? 72,000. And what is the total beta? Come on everyone, what is the total beta? share दो 8 7 और 3 10. 1,08,900 is the net assets amount beta, while you will be comparing with the investment. But before that, first distribute capital first. Okay everyone, now please see. Capital, how much amount is that? That is 1,20,000 multiplied by 40%. I have to go slowly in today's lecture because you already know the reason. So I hope you will not mind. Otherwise, there may be missing of the concept. Clear, sir? Very good. Sorry, sir. Addition mistake, minority interest, 76,000. Okay, beta, very good. So I have completed the task of posting the capital line by line. Okay. Now I am moving to adding next. What is that? Now reserve and surplus also we have done already we have done beta. See, we have posted this capital, we have posted these two also. See, you have already posted the consolidated reserve and surplus. Now you have to write here, there is working note number 3. Yes sir, working note number 3. How much amount is there? Sir, total amount is there. That is how much? General P&L is how much? 42,700. Okay. Please write here. See. See. P&L account and then general reserve. For that, working note number 3 is there. Beta, profit loss account is there 42,700 and general reserve is there, that is what? 22,400. So that becomes total how much? 7 4 11, 1 और 2 3 और 2 5, 4 और 2 6. Okay, very good. Very good. Yes. Now after that, we are moving to next line by line. Okay, beta. So we have completed these tasks. Now we are adding current liabilities and provision. 3,40,000 and 2,10,000. So easy. Beta, you can prepare separate notes to accounts there. H limited. How much? That is 3,40,000. And then S limited. That is 2,10,000. And that will become total how much? That will become total how much? That will become 5,50,000. So beta, total of equities and liabilities side becomes 991100. Okay. Now what about next? Beta, now we are consolidating the assets. See, non-current assets. Beta, property, plant and equipment will be added 5 lakh plus 3 lakh. Okay. Now please do in the asset side. H limited and then H limited. Okay, I'm doing just one thing. Yeah, H limited and then L limited. That is how much? See, S limited is there. That is 5 lakh. And what about S limited? That is 3 lakh. So beta, total becomes how much? Of course, 8 lakh. Now what about the investment, everyone? 16. Okay. Now next. What about next, beta? Please keep patience. Once you practice, then you have to practice only the adjustment after this. Next, non-current investment and then current assets. Beta, now I am posting non-current investment in share. That is what? 1,40,000. And each and every attempt, such question comes in exam while it was in final and while it has came since when it was in final and when it came into inter. Beta, what is the difference in this case? Sir, extra payment is there, so goodwill is there. So beta, goodwill. And how much amount is goodwill? That is 31,100. So we have to post this as intangible assets in the consolidated balance sheet. बेटा माइनॉरिटी इंटरेस्ट नहीं पे किया क्या हमने? ओहो, मैं लिखना भूल गया क्या? तभी मेरा टोटल अलग आ रहा था. Okay, minority interest we have to post here. Wait a minute. Minority interest. After that, this is the total. So 76,000 is there. That is the minority. Anyways, goodwill is also there. Goodwill is also there. That is how much? Goodwill is also there. 31,100. Beta, for this working note number 1 will be referred. Okay. हाँ बेटा अब मैच हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. Why don't you divide, create a 60% of S limited? Beta, Jagatpati, I think you have not attended the last class in which we have discussed the detailed concept that there are two types of consolidation. One is net and second is full. We have to consolidate full. Okay, beta. Please recall the last two classes. That's the reason I requested to all of you that please always come into the next class after revising the earlier sessions. 60,000 and then 1 lakh. 1,60,000. Beta, what is the total? And then total become 9,91,100. Beta, we have to show, beta Surinder. We have shown here. Okay. The total was after adding that, because since I have already prepared the solution for you. So I was putting the figure from there because otherwise it will take more time to get calculation from your side. So beta, minority interest I have posted here, everyone. Minority interest MI. So I am giving the number here. This one is C. This one is C and this one is D. Okay. Please let me know that everything is clear up to this or not. Yes sir, मुझे याद आ गया, मैं भूल गई थी. Okay बेटा, okay बेटा, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. So now everyone, I want to ask you again that everything is okay up to this or not. Now I want to discuss with all of you adjustments. Sir, clear like बेल्टमैन हेड. राहुल, ये क्या कह रहे हो, जैसे गंजे आदमी का रहा है. सर, इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इंडेस एप्लीकेबल टू कॉन्स? यस बेटा, देयर आर डिफरेंस बेटा. ऋतुराज, इंडेस कम्स टू फेयर when okay, I'm not discussing that, but beta otherwise there will be some confusion in the inter student. Okay beta, I'm applying the index practically. Okay, in the practical life, daily basis. Full clear. Thank you so much for taking my request. Okay beta, done sir. Up to here everything is clear. Yes sir, clear. Yes sir, understood sir. आप इतने अच्छे से पढ़ाते हो कि कोई डाउट ही, और जो जब कोई डाउट ओके नहीं आता, ये डाउट आता है कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. सर आप इतने अच्छे से पढ़ाते हो कि कोई डाउट ही है, और जब कोई डाउट ही नहीं आता ना, तो ये लगता है कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. वाह, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर एफर्ट. बिकॉज ऑफ योर एफर्ट, थैंक यू बेटा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस कॉम्प्लीमेंट बेटा. मुक्तेश्वरी, very very clear sir. Sir, all clear. I need some practice of problem. Yes better, definitely. Ashutosh, if I will request not only to Ashutosh, also those students which have come first time in this class, it's my request that please don't write. Please don't write. Try to understand, because there are some concepts which are linked with the earlier. Okay beta. Anyways, so clear like Avenger game. Oh wow, Ria is saying clear like Avenger game. Wow, thank you sir for last class miss होने के बावजूद भी क्लियर हो गया. वाह, थैंक यू सो मच सर. पुराना समझ आ गया. थैंक यू सो मच. पूरा समझ में आ गया. ओके बेटा, चलिए. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, अभी हम आपसे एक बात करेंगे छोटी सी. बेटे, ओहो ओहो, क्या हो गया सर? दिल तोड़ने वाला अब मेरा आप पक्का. सच्ची बताओ पहले, आप बताओ जल्दी से. विल यू ब्रेक माई हार्ट और विल यू गिव मी मोर क्लियरिटी of that you will be more energetic now. Come on, don't break my heart beta. I am waiting and I am requesting to all of you that please don't break my heart. Please be more energetic and more focused now, because we are discussing now new concept. Beta, I am discussing now new concept, everyone. Okay sir, okay sir. So beta, I am writing here one concept, that is what? Adjustment number. So you will do all the adjustment with the help of this graph. Yes beta, because you already have the basic clear understanding of this graph. Okay, so I am asking you, everyone, are you with more energy now? Are you with more energy now? Have you been recharged again? Yes, sir. Take a deep breath and get recharged because we now need more attention. Thank you, sir. अच्छा सर आपके लिए थैंक यू बेटा. सर बच्चे आपकी खूब बटरिंग करते हैं. वाह, वेरी गुड राहुल. सर यू आर और आयरन मैन. वाह. सर आई मिस द लास्ट क्लास ड्यू टू इमरजेंसी. ओके बेटा, गौरव प्लीज टेक केयर एंड नाउ you can join from this question. Clear, sir. Blessed to have faculty like you. You give or 200 to us, 200% to us. I also watch your previous lecture. You are great, sir. Thank you so much, Beta Prasad. You, I think, very rarely you communicate in the class. Sir, आप बहुत अच्छा समझाते हो. Thank you so much, बेटा. Sir, we are more energetic. Yes, sir. एक बार सॉल्यूशन पार्ट दिखा दीजिए. ओके बेटा, मैं सॉल्यूशन पार्ट दिखा देता हूं एक बार. वंस आई एम शोइंग यू द सॉल्यूशन पार्ट, एवरीवन प्लीज चेक if someone is noting or someone is missing anything, then you can please check. This is the solution part I am showing you, everyone, and I am taking the base of same question graph, and in which I will put some adjustment so that you may feel that there is nothing in the question which can be called as tough. You will solve that, don't worry. So beta, I am showing you the solution first. If anything has been missed, then please check. Yes sir, ready. Yes sir, no need to break sir, already battery 100% full. Very good sir. दिल तो चीज तोड़ने की है, वह तोड़ती है, बिना बात की सजा अपने से देगा. Okay. Cost of control and then minority interest. Yes sir, understood, but I need more practice. Yes beta Jyoti. Yes sir, I have plugged the charger and now I am recharging. Manisha is saying, sir, I have plugged the charger and now I am recharging. Very good. Very good. So beta, I think I have shown you the complete solution now, and it's the time to move to the next part of this session, and that is the new adjustment. Beta, I have copied the same graph from this question. See, nothing is new. So come on everyone, as per this example, you are finding that at the beginning, now done, मैंने नोट कर लिया. थैंक यू. ओके बेटा, सर एग्जाम में भी ऐसे ही करना है, बिल्कुल टपाटप ऐसे ही करना है बिड़ू. ऐसे ही करना है रश्मिता बेटा. चलो अब सुनो मेरी बात बेटा. ये क्या है, ये क्या है भाई, बताओ भाई ये क्या है. सर ये है डेट ऑफ एक्विजिशन. और डेट ऑफ एक्विजिशन क्या है जी, हमने दिया था सर क्वेश्चन में कि जनवरी 10 सॉरी 1 जनवरी 2023. डेट ऑफ एक्विजिशन Jan 1st 2023. यस बेटा, in this question we know the figure that during the year profit was earned, the difference of this. Okay, and what is the difference of this? Of course we have already calculated this, that is what, 34,000. Yes sir, and this 34,000 were containing two parts. The difference of P&L, that is how much, 18,000. Okay, the difference of this 24,000, 40,000, that is what, 16,000. Yes sir, we have already discussed that. Then why you are discussing again and again? Because beta, question has not shown you one information and you find that information in exam. And what is that? Yes, adjustment number 1, that is beta abnormal loss. Okay, wait a minute. The adjustment number is what? Please check first, otherwise there may be some confusion. Adjustment number 1 is that. Okay, not 1, it will be abnormal loss, adjustment number 8. Yes, please write down here, instead of 1, adjustment number 8. Yes, and I am giving the name of that, that is abnormal loss oblique gain. beta question has not shown you one information in this example. Now you are getting the information in the example that there was loss by fire. There was loss by fire, and the loss by fire was on which date? At this date, in February, in Feb month, 14 Feb. No, not 14 Feb, sir. That will hurt us. Okay, beta. So we are taking a Feb 20. Okay, beta. At which date you are finding? This is the date of fire. Oh my God. Oh my God. Fire was there in the factory. Fire was there in the factory, and the company suffered a loss of rupees 40,000. Oh my God. 40,000. Yes, 40,000 loss was there because of fire. So it means, do you know, in this case, you will find we were thinking that only the 34,000 is the profit that has been earned. No, the profit was earned not only 34,000, that was earned 74,000. Sir, how? Because 70,000 is the balance after writing off this 40,000 profit loss. Of course, the closing balance have been calculated after writing off the abnormal loss. It means the profit earned was not only 34,000. Profit earned was how much? Sir, we will add back this profit, then we can find out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If we add back, that is so, sir, 74,000 is the exact profit. Yes, 74,000 is the exact profit that has been earned. Okay, I'm looking for the matches. सर आप हमारे लिए डोरेमोन हो, पढ़ाने का न्यू गजेट लेके आते हो. वाह मानसी, वाह, व्हाट ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, वेरी गुड. सिर्फ डेट ऑफ एक्विजिशन गिवन इन द मिड ऑफ द मंथ, देन व्हाट टू डू बेटा? वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट मिड कैलकुलेशन आल्सो 15 डेज. सर जी अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 21. यस बेटा, यस बेटा. 20 फेब को मेरा बर्थडे है. ओके बेटा, वेरी गुड माधव. कुछ नहीं होता है मेरे बेटे, नेहा, कुछ नहीं होता, पिटाई होती है उस दिन. एनीवेज वापस आओ. तो बेटा अब इस केस में होगा क्या बेटा? नाउ प्लीज सी. अब इस केस में होगा क्या बेटा? इन दिस केस यू विल प्रिपेयर द एनालिसिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट इन दिस वे. सो वर्किंग नोट नंबर 3 विल गेट इफेक्टेड, and due to that rest all the figures will get affected. Beta, in this case how you will present the answer in exam? For the working note number 3 I am discussing with all of you, because only that working note gets affected. Beta, up to the date of acquisition, and then post acquisition, and then closing balance. See, up to 1st Jan, as per this example, 2023, the profit will be called as pre-acquisition profit. Yes, another name is there, that is capital nature. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Please note it down. It's my request. Please note it down and solve it. Don't wait that after the class we shall note this. Please note it down. I have did nothing else. I have done nothing else. Only the same graph has been copied and I have inserted one adjustment. The loss was there. Yes, लिखना है बेटा, लिखना है ये वाला सेम ग्राफ कॉपी करो और एक लाइन इंसर्ट कर दो बस. 20th Feb को आग लग गई थी, 40,000 का नुकसान हो गया था. So how you will calculate and how you will present the solution in exam for working note number 3 especially, that will be changed only. Beta, pre-acquisition up to this, that is how much? So there are general reserve and then profit and loss. Okay, in post-acquisition also. Yes sir, yes sir, that is post-acquisition. But of course after that, okay, after 1st Jan 2023. बेटा ये क्या है? अपना क्लोजिंग बैलेंस, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, एंड देन जनरल रिजर्व. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट दिस प्रॉफिट लॉस? दैट इज वाज 12,000, and then 30,000 is there. Yes, it means 18,000 is post acquisition. Rest all column will be filled by dash. Then what about general reserve? 24,000 is opening. Yes. And then what about this 16,000 remaining? Because total becomes 40,000. The same work has been done as we have already covered up to this in the earlier solution. 24,000, 12,000, 16,000, 18,000 and 70,000. Now I am waiting that you will tell me that up to this everything is okay. So due to fire, is there any changes in the calculation? Yes, beta Nancy, that's the reason I am working that. Okay, this is working note number 4. Yes, you are right. Working note number 4. Yes. Working note number 4. Yes, beta, you are right. Because graph is also the working note. Very good. सर हमारे इधर लाइट नहीं है इसलिए मैं मैसेज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, फोन से देख रहा हूँ. ओके बेटा राम झा. सर एडजस्टमेंट के लिए अलग वर्किंग नोट बनाना पड़ता है क्या? वेयर टू एडजस्टमेंट? बेटा नेहा, क्वेश्चन में जब वर्किंग नोट नंबर 4 आएगा तो हमें यहाँ पर कुछ इंसर्ट करना पड़ेगा, कुछ रिकैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा उन एडजस्टमेंट को हमें यहाँ पर एनालाइज करते हुए, क्योंकि हम प्रॉफिट एनालाइज कर रहे हैं सब्सिडी का, तो वहां पर हमें कुछ बातों को ध्यान रखना होगा एज पर एडजस्टमेंट. ओके क्लियर सर? ओके एवरीथिंग इज ओके. ओके नाउ प्लीज इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज stop to write for a few minutes because that is the main thing which I want to discuss. Beta, I have given here some steps. Step number first add back the abnormal loss. First we have to add back the abnormal loss in the profit from where such has been deducted. Beta, can you please tell me what is the amount of 40,000 loss? 40,000 is the loss. Where to add that 40,000 in the post acquisition or pre acquisition? Beta, that can be answered by all of you by looking at the graph. See, 40,000 is there since you have calculated already the pre acquisition profit. See, I am writing here, please understand. Pre you have calculated, and post also I am writing here, post also you have calculated. Yes sir. How much you have calculated? Sir, we have calculated 16,000 plus 18,000. So total 34,000 we have calculated. Now what about the pre you have calculated? Sir, we have calculated 24,000 and 12,000. It means total is how much? 36,000 we have calculated. Yes. So can you please tell me from where such 40,000 has been deducted? From where such 40,000 has been deducted, in 34 or in 36? Beta, of course you have deducted in 70,000. Yes, so you will be added to 70,000. Beta, since these are the opening balance, definitely in such balance we have no deducted, because although the date has been mentioned 1st Jan, but these are the balance that were on beginning of year at 1/4/22. These balances have been taken from 1st April 2022. It means in such 24 and 12,000 the loss of 40,000 has not been deducted, because such are the balance that have been taken from the beginning of year. It means such 70,000 became after adjustment of profit or loss earned during the year. Yes, it means that loss has been deducted from this 34, because 34 is the profit or loss that has been netted by the loss. Okay beta, so please add back from where such has been deducted. So I have made here some steps. Step number one, for adjustment of abnormal loss, add back the loss from where such has been deducted. Beta, where you will be adding back? So of course in the post, so beta I am adding back in the profit loss. 40,000 loss has been definitely deducted from here. Otherwise, how it is possible? So it means this is the figure. This is the figure. Wait a minute. This is the figure which is clearly pre. Yes, of course. This is the figure 16,000 which seems free. Of course, it seems free, but out of this 9 month profit has to be shifted. Yes, of course. Now please see what is the total figure of this, sir. 58,000 is in profit and loss account. Now after adding back this, everyone, we have to first segregate the pre-acquisition profit to the pre and post-acquisition profit to the post. First, we have to apply the time adjustment. So, plus or minus time adjustment, of course, same. Now, time adjustment is different. See, 16,000 multiplied by 9 divided by 12. That is 12,000. So, 12,000 will be reduced from here. Yes, of course. After reducing from here, that will be added back to the pre, of course. What about the 58,000? Because beta after the date of acquisition, so beta 58,000 is the profit earned. Out of that, first we have to shift the 9 month profit. Beta, who will tell me? Beta, please let me know. Everyone, please tell me. I am waiting. What is the calculation? $43,000. 43,500. So beta, I will be adding this to the pre plus 43,500. Now see. So what is the remaining amount? That will be called as the remaining amount. So now we have calculated the correct profit that belongs to pre, that is 36,000, and that is 55,500, and that is 4,000, of course. And what is that? Sorry, 14,500. So beta, in this case, you have calculated first the correct profit related to the period. Now, after applying the time adjustment, now what will you do? You will reduce the profit. But we added 40,000 because that has been deducted from post acquisition. That has been deducted from the profit that was not at the beginning. Okay, beta. These are the beginning profit, 24 and 12,000. Okay, beta. Now please see. After that, we shall reduce the abnormal loss. We shall reduce the abnormal loss from the profit of the period to which such belongs. Beta, abnormal loss will be deducted from the profit to which such belong. Beta, it belongs to pre, then that will be reduced from pre. If it belongs to post, then that will be reduced from the post. Now please tell me, February 20 is the date of fire. Although I should take the date earlier so that it such may be reduced from pre. Anyways, now example has been made, then example will be solved accordingly. Now please see, 20 is the 20 Feb is the date of fire. So that fire was occurred in pre-acquisition period or post-acquisition? Come on, let me know, everyone. Pre-acquisition period or post-acquisition? Of course, post. So that will be adjusted. That loss should be deducted from the post-acquisition, beta, because it seems that the sorry, it is the loss that belongs to post-acquisition. सर फिर तो एक्विजिशन के बाद लगा है. यस बेटा. सो एक्विजिशन के साथ क्यों एडजस्ट होगा बेटे? एक्विजिशन के साथ एडजस्ट नहीं होगा, इसीलिए वो एड बैक किया गया है. बिकॉज 34,000 इज द डिफरेंस. बिकॉज सर 34,000 केम directly calculating the difference between the 70 and 36. It means that 40,000 has not been reduced from 36. That 40,000 has been reduced from this highlighted 34,000, of course. So we are adding back first in 34. So we are adding back this in this figure, so that we can reach to 74,000, and then 74,000, such 74,000 is to be distributed in the pre and post. Okay beta, now please see everyone, such 70,000 is to be distributed between the pre and post. 74,000 you have calculated here. See the total of the figure that has been calculated by all of you is 74,000. Please see what the figure I am showing you here. Please see the highlighted figure. The total of these figure is 74,000. You added that 40,000 and you reached to 74,000. Now you are distributing such 74,000. That such 74,000 belongs to 12. Out of that, you are shifting 9-month profit to the pre-acquisition period. Now you are looking for the date after distribution of correct profit. You are looking for the date in which period fire occurred. Because first you have found out here the correct period profit, pre and then post, and after that you are reducing what you are reducing. You are reducing the loss from the profit in which period such fire occurred. Only that profit should be affected, not the other period profit. So beta, now even though the figure will be there in negative, that will be minus, that doesn't matter. Main thing is that the calculation must be correct. पोस्ट एक्विजिशन, यस सर फायर तो एक्विजिशन के बाद लगा है, तो प्री एक्विजिशन के साथ क्यों एडजस्ट हुआ बेटा? आशुतोष कहां हुआ है सर? अगर लॉस बिफोर 1 Jan होता बेटे तो प्री में से लेस कर रहे होते. अब हम लेस कहां से करेंगे बताओ? नाउ प्लीज टेल मी फ्रॉम वेयर सच टू बी एडजस्टेड. आशुतोष बेटा हमने एड बैक क्यों किया? आशुतोष हमने इसलिए एड बैक किया क्योंकि वो 74,000 में से घटा हुआ था. सॉरी 34,000 में से घटा हुआ था. ये जो 16,000 और 18,000 है, ये 34,000 है. 70 और 36 का डिफरेंस. पहले हमने इसमें एड बैक करके 74,000, देखो 16,000 और 58,000 दोनों को जोड़ोगे तो क्या आएगा? 74,000 आएगा. तो हम पहुंच गए कहां? 74,000 की फिगर पे. पहले हम 9 महीने का प्रॉफिट पीछे भेजेंगे, फिर हम देखेंगे भाई आंख कहां पे लगी. प्री में लगी तो प्री में से घटाएंगे, पोस्ट में लगी तो पोस्ट में घटाएंगे. अब हमने देखा कि फरवरी है आंख का, आंख की डेट फरवरी 20. कब लगी आंख? फरवरी 20, मतलब बेटा पोस्ट एक्विजिशन वाला पीरियड. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? अब हम लॉस कहां से घटाएंगे? नाउ वी शैल रिड्यूस द लॉस टू द फ्रॉम द प्रॉफिट दैट बिलोंग्स टू द पीरियड. ओके बेटा, टू विच पीरियड सच बिलोंग. ओके बेटा, सो वी आर रिड्यूसिंग नाउ 40,000 फ्रॉम हियर. So what will the correct thing here? 36,000 pre, 55,500 is pre, and 4,000 is the reserve, and then minus 25,500. This will be the final figure, and that will be distributed in minority interest and then holding company according to the percentage, 40% as per example, and then 60%. Okay beta, please tell me the figure. Everyone, I am waiting. Everyone, please tell me the figure. So this is the figure I am telling you, 14,400. and this is what 21,600. Can you please tell me 40% of 55,500? Come on everyone, I am waiting that you will tell me. So it is 22,200. One of the student has answered. Ankur has answered. What about remaining? 5 Okay. Now please tell me the 40% of 25,500. What about the figure of 25,500 multiplied by 40%? Who will tell me? 4 पंजे 20, 4 पंजे 20. I am waiting. 10,000 5 चौक 20, 10,200 शायद. Is this correct, everyone? नो बेटा, हम डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते. राहुल नहीं कर सकते. 9/12 में बांट नहीं सकते. ओके बेटा. What is the figure next remaining? That is the loss belongs to the minority. 5 में से 2 के बचे 3 और 5 का 5. ठीक है. This is the loss. Okay बेटा. Now please tell me what the figure you will post to minority. The total figure will be netted off. Okay बेटा. What is the figure total? 14,200 और 22,200 में से गए 10,200 बचे 10 हो गए 24 400 25 26 26,000 I think. Please tell me, is this 26,000? Sanjay beta, I have uploaded the ICAI will unlock them. Okay. Now please see. What about the shifting of these figure? Of course, these figure will be shifted to working note number 1, cost of control COC, and these will be shifted to working note number 3, consolidated reserve and surplus. Okay. Yes. सर आंसर सेंड किए आए नहीं क्या? हाँ आ गए बेटा, अब आ गए. Sir, but if abnormal loss has occurred during the pre-acquisition, then would be no need to add subtract beta. Then also we will need. Beta. Okay, beta. So someone was asking that, sir, what happens if, sir, since you have find out that loss belongs to the post-acquisition period, so you have reduced this loss from the post-acquisition period profit. What happens if the loss has been incurred before 1st Jan, that is in the pre-acquisition period? Then what will happen? In that case, that will be reduced from pre-acquisition. It means in that case that will be reduced, not here, rather that will be reduced in that case from here if such has been occurred. But adding back and then time adjustment will be in the same. Okay beta. Step first that will be added back, and step 2 then there will be time adjustment, and then step 3 after applying the time adjustment you have to reduce the loss from the profit to which such period of loss belong. 26,000 wrong है बेटा. अच्छा 28,000. Okay, 28,000. This is 28,000. Okay. Is this correct now? Okay everyone. सर abnormal gain की situation हो तो ये सारी कैलकुलेशन रिवर्स होगी. यस बेटा राहुल, वेरी गुड. If abnormal gain is there, then that is the income. Then in that case, instead of adding back, we have to reduce that. Okay. After reducing that, we can find out the normal profit of business that will be distributed during the pre and post period. And after that, after applying the time adjustment, then we have to re-effect that figure that will be added to the period in which such insurance claim or abnormal gain was received. Anyways, it's the time to take break. And after that, after taking the break, I shall be discussing some more new concept, and those will be practiced through examples. Rest all the adjustment like bonus and dividend, those will be discussed. But it will be better if you revise during the break the concept of dividend, final dividend, interim dividend, etc., etc. Okay, so at this time we are taking the break. सर यहाँ नेटवर्क का इशू है तो मैसेज लेट आते जा रहे हैं. जब आप एबनॉर्मल लॉस का एडबैक समझा रहे थे तब समझ आ गया था, मेरा वो क्वेश्चन उससे पहले का था. ओके बेटा, ओके, समझ गया मैं आपकी बात. एनीवेज, लेट्स टेक ए ब्रेक एंड ड्यूरिंग द ब्रेक यू कैन गिव योर फीडबैक टू ICAI एंड गूगल रिव्यू आल्सो. सर मजा आ गया अब तक टॉपिक में. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू. आज के सारे एग्जांपल में, आज के सारे एग्जांपल में फिर से सोल्व करूंगा बेटा. दैट विल बी बेस्ट इफ यू विल practice in this way, then that will be best beta. Okay. Anyways, so we are taking now break everyone. Okay, bye bye. We shall meet after 5 to 10 minutes break. Yes, everyone. Show me your present fast. आगे सब लोग ब्रेक से. Come on, everyone. सर प्रीवियस सारे एग्जांपल मैं आज सोल्व करूंगा. वेरी गुड आशुतोष. रियली ग्रेट. सर माय क्वेरी. अनमोल बेटा कौन सी क्वेरी भेजो जल्दी. सर मजा आ गया अब तक टॉपिक में. ओके ओके सर ओके सर ओके सर. और क्या मैसेज है भाई. सर ओके सर. इन डेट इफ डेट अर्लियर ऑफ डेट ऑफ एक्विजिशन प्री पीरियड में लॉस. व्हाई डिस्ट्रीब्यूट प्रॉफिट. व्हाई कैनॉट डायरेक्टली कंट्रीब्यूट ऑफ प्री बिकॉज ऑलरेडी अर्न प्रॉफिट में प्री एक्विजिशन. बेटा विशाल वैशाली बेटा एक बार थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करके देखना उस चीज के लिए. तुम्हें समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके. वल्दमानी. इन प्री एक्विजिशन केस एबनॉर्मल will be added to pre directly from. नहीं बेटा. नो 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 बेटा वल्दमानी. don't do this. Step number 1. Please note these steps now and the same steps we shall follow for next concept. I am showing you the now showing the steps now. For dividend, for bonus issue and for abnormal loss also. Step number 1. Step number 1. देखो मैं आ गया मनीष. वेरी गुड. I am back sir. Yes, very good, very good. See, step number 1. Add the figures from where it was deducted by S Limited. Apply the time adjustment. Step number 2. Step number 3. Re-effect the items from the profit from where it should be. Sir, I am also here. Okay, beta Mansi. Again, sir, I joined. Very good, Devraj. So, step number 3. Re-effect the items from where it should be deducted. Beta. So, we have taken the step number 1. What we have taken? We added the 40,000 abnormal loss in the profit from where we found out that such were deducted. In 34,000 we have added back. Step number 2. Now we have applied the time adjustment. 9-month profit has been shifted from the post acquisition to pre, so that we can find out the correct figure of pre and post. Step number 3. Then we reduce the 40,000 from post. Why? Because after Jan 2023 it was occurred. Now we are moving to next concept and the same steps will be there. Sir, if date of acquisition, then date of acquisition, pre-acquisition, then add back in the same way, but directly from pre-acquisition. Why? सर पानी पी लीजिए. यस सर. यस यू आर राइट. अभी पीता हूँ बेटा. आ गई सर मनीषा. वाह वेरी गुड. सर देयर इज कंफ्यूजन इन केस ऑफ एब्नॉर्मल लॉस in pre-acquisition period. Please solve the same in short. Okay, let's take another example. Come on everyone. let's take another example and let's close the confusing point will be solved. Don't worry. Please write down here. So give this a heading. Although there is no need, but still since you are asking, I am giving you one more example. See, loss occurred in post acquisition period. Okay beta. So I am giving this in the adjustment number 8, case number A. Okay everyone. Now I shall be solving the same type of question and I shall be giving you here the number, that is case B. Okay, so please let me know first. Let me prepare this. Let me copy this. Wait a minute. Control C. Control V. Now I am solving with all of you. In short, don't worry. In short, sorry. Adjustment number 8, but now case B. If loss occurred in pre-acquisition period and I am changing the date of loss, okay beta? Now I am changing the date of loss. Suppose. Sir, we are supposing. Please tell us what to suppose. Oh, wait a minute. Suppose on 15th of December, fire occurred and loss was there of rupees 40,000. So I am removing this graph, fire showing figure from the post acquisition and now shifting to this. Suppose 40,000 loss was there and that was occurred. बोनस और डिविडेंड छोड़ो बेटे, एबनॉर्मल लॉस के भी तीनों के लिए ये करेंगे. सपोज लॉस वाज ओकर्ड इन द प्री एक्विजिशन पीरियड. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? बट इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट, आज भी 9 बजे तक क्लास चलेगी. यस, बिल्कुल सही. इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज पुट योर पेन डाउन फर्स्ट. Please put your pen down first and focus only to understand. Now what will happen? Beta, still step 1 and 2 are same. See, is this 36,000? Come on everyone, reply me by message. Is this 36,000 from which such 40,000 has been deducted? Come on, tell me. Is this 36,000 from which such 40,000 has been deducted? Swati, is this 36,000 from where such 40,000 has been deducted? Come on, tell me. I am waiting for your message. बताओ बेटे, बताओ. जो बच्चे हिंदी वाले हैं भाई, 36,000 में से घटा रखा है क्या 40,000 रुपए? 40,000 रुपए कब घटा था? 36,000 में से घटा था कि 70,000 में से घटा था? मुझे ये बताओ पहले तो. कौन बताएगा जी? आई एम वेटिंग. Yes, beta, Manish B, you are correct. Yes, deducted Almas. 36,000 is not the figure from where such was deducted. Beta, how such 40,000 can be deducted from this 36,000? Sir, beta, 36,000 is the opening balance. How we can say that such has been deducted? Beta, this is the opening balance of reserve. Opening means last year closing. This is what? Opening. Okay, beta. It means since such loss was not occurred in the last year, hence last year closing balances were calculated 36,000. Those are the opening balance of current year. It means from this 36,000, such 40,000 has not been deducted, and we don't know this figure, this period profit, and we don't know the profit that belongs to this period. We only know the total of both the period. And what is that? That can be calculated by the difference of this 70 and 36. It means the difference of this is the amount, that is 34,000. Still the answer is same, 34,000. It means can we say 40,000 has been deducted, and after that we can say that 34,000 is the net amount, net of 40,000, so that such 36 became 70,000. How such was occurred? Beta, of course in this case fire was occurred and the profit was wiped off. It means It means what happened, beta? It means what happened? It means the total profit was 74,000. Beta, still the steps are same. Whatever we have done in the solution, see, I am not changing the solution up to this. I am changing only just one step, that instead of this now, such 40,000 will not be deducted from here now. Such 40,000 will be deducted now from where? From this one. This is only the change in the solution. Now rest amount will be calculated, but still the same step number 1 and 2 are same. See, now we have to change the figures accordingly. I am not calculating now these 20-80%. You already know that how to calculate. But what I am trying to say, beta, everything is in simplest manner. I would like to say, beta, the same solution will be there up to step number 2, because step number first we have to add back that abnormal loss to the profit from where such has been deducted. Add back. And after that, you can find out the profit before reducing the abnormal loss, so that you can reach to the normal profit earned by the business. And then you must segregate, you must divide that profit into the pre and post period, so that you may find out the correct period profit. And you may now after that, there will be step number 3. See what we did here up to this. Step number 1, add back the profit, add back the loss in the profit in which such has been deducted. Step number 2, after finding out the profit before the effect of abnormal loss, then distribute such profit into the pre and post. Step number 3, now re-effect such loss in the period in the profit from which such should be deducted. Okay beta, now I am waiting for a message that everything clear up to this or not. Yes sir, 36,000 70,000 में से, very good, clear sir. Sir add back normal loss वाला change नहीं होगा, very good. अरे वाह, आप तो बता रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा अंकुर सर. But then why 40,000 add back in the post? Okay ऋतुराज सर, इस टॉपिक को पढ़कर फील होता है कि हम सीए कर रहे हैं. Very good. Add back is at pre-acquisition, that is right or wrong? No beta, that is wrong. Add back is in the profit from which such has been deducted. That may be pre, that may be post, that has to be calculated. Suppose in next question I will do one more thing. The balance of first gen, if I am giving you, suppose you will be having the profit loss balance of first gen, then anyways add back. Now sir, would you give us some this type of question for practice? Yes beta. Sir, same procedure for each and every case of acquisition abnormals? Yes beta. Got it sir. Everything sir. In step 1, why we are deducting? Not in step 1 we are deducting beta taisi. We are deducting in step 3 because we have to reduce the loss from the profit in which period such was occurred. Okay beta. Tessin, I want answer from you beta. And one more person was there who was answering different. I want answer from Rituraj also. I want answer from one more person who was answering different. Ramdevi, please let me know beta. Sir, I think 40,000 should be added in the pre-acquisition period, but you did not change this table. Yes beta. Basavraju, beta, see, no, there will be no change. Why there will be no change? Because beta, see, because these are the figures, those are coming from the last year. Those are the opening balance of current year, and loss was not occurred in the last year. These are the figure, those belongs to earlier year, carrying forwarding. So how the loss in the current year can be belonging to those profit? That's another thing. That pre-acquisition period is the period in which such loss must be deducted. But first we have to calculate now. First we have to calculate the correct profit. Okay. Step 3 for pre-acquisition, and I am correct. Yes, beta. Anyways, okay. One more question is there. Sir, what happened? अगर भाई यहाँ पे आग लग जाती, वाह वाह मेरे लाल जियो मेरे काले नीले पीले, वाह बेटे वाह, बस ऐसे ही तो बच्चे होने चाहिए क्लास में, मजा बांध देते हैं। जीवन में सबसे ज्यादा मजा ऐसे बच्चों से आता है। एनीवेज, ओके, there will be nothing beta. The loss will be definitely of date of acquisition that belongs to post, because at that date you will see that investment has been done. Everything after on that date is of post acquisition. Now everyone, now I am moving to next example, and that, just a minute, I have I have some example for you. Wait a minute. That is next adjustment is bonus. Please write it down. Bonus adjustment number. Better give adjustment number. Everyone, I am waiting. And give heading bonus. Come on everyone, give me adjustment number. सर प्लीज शो वर्किंग नोट। बेटा अब इस टाइम पे स्वाति दिक्कत हो जाएगी। आई हैड सो योर यूट्यूब। यस बेटा, ओके। बेटा प्लीज गिव मी एडजस्टमेंट नंबर फास्ट। सो in the case of bonus adjustment, beta, I hope you have learned this concept, what the, how the bonus is issued. I am waiting. What are the profits which are to be used for the issue of bonus shares? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? सर समझ नहीं आया, आपने तारीफ की है कि come on, let me know everyone. Yes beta, very good beta Swati. Sir, first two steps are same because we did not know the split of amount. Yes Swati, that's the thing. Adjustment number 9. Come on everyone. Adjustment number 9. Beta, see, before going to the adjustment, first we must revise our law related to that, because what is the source of source? First of all, I want to give you one more thing. See, bonus is what? Bonus, we are talking about bonus. Which kind of bonus, sir? Sir, bonus is given to employees. No, that is what? That is the salary expense. Okay beta, in which case what we do, we transfer this to P&L, debit to P&L. Okay, and another bonus is what? Bonus share. What we are trying to say here? Bonus shares. So we are discussing here the bonus shares adjustment, not the bonus to employee. P&L reserve are used, very good. CRR is used, yes. Figured PM is used, very good, very good, very good, very very good. Rituraj saying yes, yes sir, just to let you know, my doubt is clear now. Okay beta. Anyways, thank you beta Rituraj. Please see everyone, bonus shares are is equal to free shares. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. These are just capitalization of profits. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, I'm not writing capitalization profit, maybe some confusion otherwise. So what the kind of profits are used here? Beta, what are the priority? What are the source of profit issue? Beta, see. First of all, what we have to do? Number one, first we have to utilize non-free profit. Non-free profits. Do you know shareholders are given the free of cost share? Those are called bonus shares. Bonus means free, without cost. Actually, they are distributing the profit in the form of shares. Very good, Swati. Yes, that's the thing I want from all of you. That bonus shares are the shares issued instead of declaring the dividend. Yes. So, beta, how company issue bonus shares? First, what they do, beta? First, they do, they utilize capital profits. What they utilize, beta? First, they utilize non-free profit, that is capital profits. Non-free profit means here capital profit. So according to priority A, B, C. And then after that, at last, the number is of in the profit, that is revenue nature profit, that is free profits. See, beta, in this case, what will happen? First, we utilize our CRR, capital redemption reserve. And if capital redemption reserve is not there, then security premium account, security premium reserve. And if security premium is also not there, then we move to capital profits. First, we must understand this sequence, and after that, we come to utilize the free profits. That is, of course, free reserve and surplus, either profit and loss or general reserve balance, whatever the balance is there, those are free. Those will be utilized only at the end. Okay. सर कंपनी शेयर होल्डर को बोनस में सोन पापड़ी नहीं देगी, नलायक, शैतान, राम झा, वेरी गुड. वो रसगुल्ले देगी, सोन पापड़ी नहीं. अब बेटर सोन पापड़ी कोई नहीं खा रहा आजकल. ओके, हाँ, आओ देखो. मजे लेते हैं बच्चे. बेटा, so can I ask you one more thing, sir? Another name of non-free profit are free, and another name of free profits are post, as per this chapter. Yes, of course. So please understand now again. The same steps are here. Step number 1. If question is giving us that during the year bonus has been issued of rupees this one, then definitely there will be opening balance, and definitely there will be closing balance. And if during the year bonus has been issued, it means in which we have to add back in the same way, like 34,000 were there and we were adding 40,000. Now we shall add back the figure of the profit which seems during the year, and after adding back we shall move to time adjustment, and then we shall reduce the profit according to law, not according to period. Beta, please understand. Here you may commit such mistake. According to law we have to go, not according to the period, according to law. And what is law? Law tells us about the utilization of profit, that is sources of the profit which should be utilized. First, we should utilize which source? This one. Please understand this. Sources of bonus. हाँ, दिव्या कह रही है राम जा तुम्हारा सोन पापड़ी खाने को मन कर रहा है. सर राम को पॉपकॉर्न खिला दीजिए विद कोल्ड ड्रिंक. यस, एनीवेज, no one will comment to each other. Okay beta, please understand there may be some problem, so please understand concept first. Beta, step number first, what we shall do, the same step, we shall add back. Beta, don't take this as as this is the complete chapter. Okay beta, see, add back, what we have to add back? We have to add back the bonus amount. Okay beta, and where to add back you already know. I have already written the step. I am just revising the step. Step number 2, then apply the time adjustment. Step number 3, then deduct as per period. No, not as per period, as per law. In the case of bonus shares, first we utilize capital profit. It means first, as per law, first we have to reduce from the pre, and for balance amount we have to go for the post. For the balance amount, if the amount is not sufficient in the pre-acquisition period, sir, that will be much better if you will do just one thing. And what is that? So please do just one thing. You please give us an example. Okay, let's take an example. Beta, example number before this example number was ninth. That was example number ninth, I think. Eighth. Okay, and then okay, not example number, because this is the conceptual example. So beta, see, there is no example number for this. Okay beta, this is the concept related example. Now please understand, there is a graph. There is a graph. Please prepare this graph, which are not free beta. Tehseen. Okay, suppose 1/4/2022 is the opening date and 31st March 2023 is the closing date. This is the balance sheet date. Come on everyone. So question will give us the balance sheet of this date. Okay, okay. The balance sheet of this date, in which date? But a question will give us the balance sheet of this date, but in which you will be finding equity share capital and reserve and surplus. And where? Suppose you are finding here. Suppose profit and loss, general reserve, and then सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम. माधव कहाँ हो तुम? बहुत देर हो गई, तुम्हारी शैतानी नहीं हुई आज. Sir, copy paste above adjustment 8. It will be easy. Okay. Better please see. 20,000. Please write it down. And then 1 lakh. And then 30,000. So total is how much? How much is total, everyone? 1,50,000 was the total of the profit as at 1/4/2022. नेक्स्ट, अब हम आते हैं जी आगे. कम ऑन एवरीवन. सर हमने सारे एग्जांपल तो आपके साथ में सोल्व कर लिए हैं, लेकिन कॉपी में सब अच्छा, पोस्ट पोस्ट तो तब होगा ना बेटा. यहाँ पे तो सीक्वेंस है ना, टेंशन मत लो, यहाँ पे सब सीक्वेंस है. ओके, माधव आज मन लगाकर पढ़ रहा है सर. अच्छा आशुतोष, वेरी गुड. सी नाउ बेटा एवरीवन, सी क्वेश्चन हैज गिवन अस वन मोर थिंग. The year-end balance sheet has also been given. Year-end balance sheet has also been given here. This is the balance sheet as at 31st March 2023. Equity share capital, okay, and then reserve and surplus, okay, in which you are finding P&L, general reserve, and then security premium balance, that is 40,000, then 90,000, and then 30,000. So beta, can I say the total is how much? 3 और 4 7 और 9 16, 1,60,000. Beta, equity share capital closing balance have been given 1 lakh, and question has given you one more thing here. हर्ष, रहने दो सर, आप अलाउड कीजिए, मैं भी शैतानी करना चाहता हूँ. वाह राहुल, वाह, वेरी गुड. वाह दिव्या, अच्छा दिव्या शैतानी नहीं. ओके मनीष, ओवर टाइम का एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज. अरे कौन सा ओवर टाइम? मैं जो कर रहा हूँ. वाह, वेरी गुड. माधव, राइट नाउ आई एम टू सीरियस एंड फोकस ऑन द स्क्रीन. वेरी गुड. सर मेरे फोन आईसीयू में है और लाइट भी नहीं है. सर जी, दैट इज टोटल प्रॉफिट. ओके, yes, that is total profit, that is 1,60,000. okay beta, and share capital is how much? That is 1 lakh. Okay, now please see, question is giving you one more thing. This is the 1st October 2022 date, on which question has given us that company issued bonus shares, at the rate of company issued bonus shares. Company issued bonus shares at the rate of 1:5. Beta, company has issued bonus shares. Now please see, question is very, very easy. Question has given you one more thing, that is what? At this date, at which date? On 1/4, this one. At this date means year beginning is the date of acquisition. Date of acquisition. At this date, beta 60% shares were acquired. And those are how much? Not 60%, sorry. Question has given us not 60%. Question has given us that 6,000 shares were acquired. Number of shares were given. Okay, beta. Now please understand, one more thing is also there. Question has also given us the cost of investment. Beta, cost of investment, at which amount they have purchased the share. That is what? 8 lakh rupees. सर अगर हम सब फेस टू फेस क्लास में होते तो बड़ा मजा आता है. यस बेटा, आईसीआई को रिक्वेस्ट करोगे, आईसीआई शायद शुरू करें तो बड़ा अच्छा रहेगा. एनीवेज, देवराज सर प्लीज लीव द क्लास एट 8:45. ओके बेटा, डिनर टाइम. वाह, वेरी गुड देवराज सर, ये तो फिजिकल क्लास की तरह ही लग रही है. हाँ बेटा हर्ष, मैं अपनी तरफ से ऐसी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आपको फेस टू फेस और ऑनलाइन में फर्क ही ना पता चले. आपकी एक भी क्वेरी मिस नहीं होने दूंगा, और वहां पर यही तो होता है ना. एनीवेज, नाउ बेटा सी, everyone, I hope everyone is okay up to this. Now please understand this, what the question is. On 1st April 2022, question has given us the data. Profit loss balance is there, general reserve balance is there, security balance is there, and on the starting date 8 lakh amount was invested and 6,000 shares were purchased. But question has not given us the starting share capital. This one, this has not been given. Okay, now please understand, can you please calculate the percentage of holding? How much percentage of holding are there? Zoom class hona chahiye. Yes Ashutosh, everything you request to ICAI always take care of students, so you must request to ICAI. I am also interested in that. Okay, anyways, please let me know what is the percentage of holding. Who will tell me? Come on everyone, I will give a prize to that student who will answer the percentage of holding. Come on, let's compete this. How much percentage of holding we are having? I will give you a prize. Come on, let's compete. Who will tell me the percentage of holding? I am waiting everyone. 60%. वाह, स्वाति ने सोचा सर ने गलती से 60% लिख दिया था, पटाख से लपेट तो सर को है. वेरी गुड स्वाति, बहुत शैतान हो बेटा. 60%. Come on everyone, I am waiting. Who will tell me how much percentage we are holding? Beta, I know where the problem can be with the students, what the kind of question can create the problem, and I am taking all those questions in example, because if you are practicing with example, with the advanced question, so all the things will be easy. Sir, nominal value will be 10. Yes beta, 60% is holding. Very good, very good, very good. Only two have answered. Rest all are enjoying either parathas, dosas, etc., etc. Sir, please tell me the rate per share. Wow, very good. ICAI, you can contact to ICAI and you can request to ICAI. ICAI will always arrange for the student. Anyways, now please let me know everyone. I will give you a prize if anyone will answer this. I am waiting. Sir, what the price you will pay? Beta, I will give you a good big trophy. नहीं समझा. 20. No sir. Anyways, 75%. Swati saying 75%. Anyways, no beta Swati. Madhav, 6,000 to 10. Wow. Anyways, now please understand now. No, now I am solving the question. Okay, let's see. Beta, 10 rupees the face value? Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Good afternoon. अबे good afternoon कहाँ से आ गया भाई? रात को good afternoon? ये शैतान कौन है भाई? संतोष? तुम असंतोषी हो अभी? See, how many number of shares are there? Sir, number of shares are number of shares, total number of shares, total number of shares is equal to how much? 10,000. Because when you divide 1 lakh by 10, such comes 10,000. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? At year end, total number of shares in the company's balance sheet are how much? 1 lakh divided by 10 is equal to 10,000. Very easy. Beta, in the starting, you acquired 6,000 shares. Beta, during October, you were also in the queue who will get the number of shares as bonus. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we also got the number of shares, 1,200. Oh my God. So easy it was. 6,000 were acquired and 1,200 we got bonus. It means at the year end, total number of shares we are having. How many shares we are having? 7,200. Oh, so 7,200 divided by total number of shares becomes 72% holding. Okay, 72%. Beta, I don't think so there is any problem. Sir, where you have given nominal value? अनमोल बेटा कुछ ना बोले, हमेशा इक्विटी शेयर 10 का ही तो होता है मेरे बच्चे. आ जाओ. Now please see everyone. So 72% is the percentage of holding first. Can you please tell me? Who will tell me? What is the total amount of share capital before 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 number of before bonus issue? You can also calculate that. Who will tell me? I am waiting, everyone. Who will tell me? And what is the amount of bonus shares? Sir, very simple. Very, very simple. So I am waiting, everyone. Who will tell me what is the amount of bonus shares? Sir, 60,000 before. Okay. Please explain, sir. Tehseen, क्या explain करूँ? Sir, how 7,200? बेटा, 6,000 were acquired on 1st April 2022. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 6,000 acquired. And then you got 1 by 5 as bonus shares. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So how much it becomes? 7,200. So at the year end, you are having 7,200 out of year end total 10,000. So it becomes 72%. Anyways, beta, now see. Suppose in the starting 100 shares are there. Please understand. 100 is the amount of capital. And then bonus will be 100 multiplied by 1 by 5. It becomes how much? 20. So it becomes the ratio 120. Can I not calculate the amount of bonus? If after bonus shares issue, amount of share capital is 1 lakh, can we not calculate the amount of bonus? Who will tell me? I am waiting. Who will tell me the amount of bonus? Bonus amount will be how much? Bonus, sir, very simple. 120 equivalent to 1 lakh, 1 lakh equivalent to 120. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So if 1 lakh is the figure which is equivalent to 120, out of that cannot we calculate 20? Yes. How much amount is there? So our fraction will come and we will again afraid that fractions have come. No, beta, no. The capital before that will be calculated easily. Yes. Now the point is that. How we shall give effect in the adjustment. Now, please, can you please tell me the one-to-one answer of my question, which will give you more clarity. My question number 1 is that, is this the amount of bonus shares? Question number 1. Is this the amount of bonus share? Everyone, please let me know. Is this the amount of bonus share? Come on, everyone. Question number 1. Is this the amount of bonus share? Yes or no? Tell me fast. I am waiting for a message. Yes. Very good. Now, is this the profit from where such have been deducted? Bonus 16667. Such, is this the 1,50,000 from where such 16,667 has been deducted? Come on, let me know. Is this the amount from where such has been deducted? Sir, should be deducted, but has not been deducted because bonus was not issued at that time when opening balances were calculated. Most of you are answering still yes, because you are thinking that bonus must be utilized pre-acquisition profit. Beta, step number first we have to understand from where such has been deducted. But I know there at this moment mistakes are usually part of the practice, because at this moment most of the students commit such mistake. They clearly says, sir, you have told us the source of bonus issue are first capital, but my question is that at the time of calculating the opening balances, was bonus decided? No, definitely no. The bonus was not decided at the time. Otherwise, how the balances can come in this way? Definitely, those will be calculated after the bonus issue. If the bonus has been decided, it means the bonus was not deducted at that time, because bonus was decided and declared during the year, that has been issued during the year. Okay, so it means such has not been deducted. So now I am asking you one by one. Please let me complete first. It's my request, so that I can give you 100% clarity regarding this. Beta, you know date of acquisition? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Date of acquisition is this one. And this is what post acquisition. Please understand what I am trying to tell you. There are some profits, those are coming from pre-acquisition period. Please understand. Let me complete first. Up to 1st April 22, and then after 1st April 22. Beta, see. Three balances are there. This is the last question of today's class, and really you are practicing in good way, and after that we can start our study material question from next class. See, closing balances are there. Yes. This is what post acquisition. Yes. This is what pre acquisition, that is capitalization. Yes. P&L, general reserve, and then security premium as per the question. P&L, general reserve, and security premium. Please, it's my request, please have patience and don't leave the topic. Don't demotivate yourself. You are just at the end of concept. First, I am writing here opening balance 20,000, 1 lakh, and 30,000. 20,000, 1 lakh, 20,000, 1 lakh, and 30,000. First, I am writing अभी नहीं बजे नैन्सी, गंदी बात, गंदी 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 बात. Oh, next, what is the amount of at the year end? P&L 40,000. It means, it seems that 20,000 is the post. It seems. Now what about next? General reserve, how much? 90,000. It seems seems that in the post acquisition period general reserve was utilized, that is minus figure. Full concentration I want. Next, what about security premium? That is how much? 30,000. It means there was nothing that has been utilized or that has been increased. So can I say these are the final balances which we are seeing in the pre. Wait a minute. In the pre 20,000, 1 lakh and 30,000. And these are the final balances which we are seeing in post 20,000 minus 10,000 and nil. Beta, step number 1, we have to add back. Come on, let me know. The bonus amount is 16667. Yes, sir. Come on, let me know. First, we are adding here. Add back. Step number 1, add back the bonus amount. Bonus shares issued. Bonus shares amount. That is what? 16,667. Yes. So, can we do in this way? Either do 16,667 in this way or do in another way. Let's make this column nil by adding back 10,000 we are adding here and 6667 we are adding here. Is there any problem with any student? Please let me know first. If I am adding in this way, that bonus has been given in this way, that 10,000 reserves have been utilized. Please see. If I add back in this way, step number 1, but how much amount are there? 20,000, 1 lakh, and then 30,000, and then such has becomes how much? Such has become 26,667, and such has become nil. So these are the balances which we have find out that before bonus issue what were the balances. Now please understand. After this, step number 2 will get applied. First, we have found out the profit before bonus by adding back to the profit. 10,000 क्यों ऐड किया? आ गया ना, मैं यही वेट कर रहा था. 10,000 हमने क्यों ऐड किया बेटा? इसलिए ऐड किया. मोहम्मद सोहेल, सुनो तुम भी बेटा. हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम क्या करेंगे? बोनस को ऐड बैक करेंगे. बोनस का अमाउंट है 16,667 है. हाँ, या तो मैं 16,667 को पीएनएल में ऐड बैक कर दूं, 10,000 तो बढ़ जाएंगे, जनरल रिजर्व में ऐड बैक कर दूं. भैया तो जनरल रिजर्व में से इशू होगा या पीएनएल में से इशू होगा. नेगेटिव फिगर अच्छी नहीं लग रही तो मैंने क्या किया? 10,000 में ऐड बैक कर दिया. ठीक है. अगर मैं चाहे तो 6,667 यहीं पे निकाल दूं, या फिर मैंने 10,000 इसको करके नील कर दिया, बाकी का मैंने पीएनएल में करेंगे भैया सारा काम. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं इन दिस वे. और यू कैन डू इन दिस वे. इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग दिस, you can do in this way 66667. You can also do in this way. Okay beta, that will be more easy. But if you will find in any book any solution like this which I am doing, so I am practicing in that way. Okay beta, that is total 66667. Beta, you have not calculated, so you are rounding 16,000. Beta, that is not the 16,000. Okay beta, 16,667. Anyways, now next. So now step number 1 has been done, that we have added back the bonus from where such has been deducted. Sir, full P&L से भी हो सकता है. Yes beta, Manish, very good. Manish is telling you one another thing. Sir, can we add back 10,667 in full? Yes, you can also do this. Instead of this, you can do 16667. Yes, very good. Rituraj is also giving one more thing. Very, very good. Highly appreciable to all of you. Really, really, you all are really solving in the same way. You are getting the same thing in the same way in which I want to communicate with all of you. Full depth. Yes, very good. Another point is also there. Rituraj also has given. Otherwise, question may give us. Yes, very good. According to that. Anyways, for the time being, I am adding back in this way so that you may feel the calculation easiness. And 10,000 has become now here nil. Now please see. So 16,667 we have added back. Now next, after that we shall apply step number 2. Beta, what is step number 2? Time adjustments. time adjustments. Beta, can you please tell me what is the date of acquisition? And is there any requirement of time adjustment in this question? No. Sir, please tell me why. Because beta, time adjustment will require where you are not buying at the beginning. If you are buying at this date or any other date which is not at the beginning or which is not at the end, in that case you will need to calculate the current year profit. You will have to segregate the profit now, but already profit have been segregated because at the date of acquisition you are already finding the balances as per the question. Now very easy. So already step number 2 has been cleared. Okay beta. Because you have added the bonus amount in the profit from where such has been deducted. Okay, and step number 2, there is no need to time adjustment. So we are directly moving to step number 3. So can I say, beta, in exam, don't write like this. I am writing just to make you understand that there is no any requirement of time adjustment. Okay beta, so I am leaving the space by writing this, but in exam you will not do like this. Okay beta, in exam you will directly move to step 3. So these are the capital profits. Now after that 26,667 and then nil and then nil. Now step number 3. Come on everyone, step number 3 is here. At this time, first we have to utilize the capital nature profit. Okay beta, you know we have already understood the, we have already revised the low part of this, that for bonus share ratio first utilize the capital profits, non-free profits, in which also there is priority. CRR should be utilized first, and if CRR is not there, then since in this question you will find no CRR is there, okay, no security PM is there, okay, and then after that, but still there is one more thing, that is what the pre-acquisition capital profit, pre-acquisition profit are capital profit here beta. That's another thing, the name has been given, profit loss, general, etc. The pre-acquisition profits are there. First, we shall utilize the pre-acquisition profit because those are capital nature profit. Beta, 26,667. From where you want to reduce? Yes, beta. Not on 1st October. On 1st April 2020, Rituraj. बेटा राहुल, ओके बेटा, स्टेप 3 तो कर रहे हैं हम, स्टेप 2 क्यों नहीं हुआ? स्टेप 2 इसलिए नहीं हुआ बेटा क्योंकि हमने ना यहाँ पे किस डेट को खरीदा? 1 अप्रैल 2022 को खरीदा। कहां पे जरूरत पड़ती है टाइम एडजस्टमेंट की बताओ? जहां पर हम लोग बीच में खरीदे और साल भर के प्रॉफिट में से हमें छाटना पड़े कितना प्रॉफिट प्री का, यहाँ तो छटा है ना, क्योंकि 1 अप्रैल 22 को हमने खरीदा और उस डेट का प्रॉफिट हमें क्वेश्चन में दे रखा था भाई, पिछले साल से आ रखा है, बोनस हुआ है आगे के पीरियड में, तो इसका मतलब आगे के पीरियड में से तो घटा हुआ है ना वो, इसलिए हम आगे के पीरियड में एड बैक कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई प्री पोस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि जितना भी आगे का है वो सारा का सारा पोस्ट ही है। ओके बेटा, नाउ सी, सो बेटा first we shall utilize the capital nature profit, and in this case you will utilize in this way. Now less bonus adjustment beta, what is that? 26,667. you can reduce either from P&L or from general reserve, from security PM, whatever you want. Okay beta, so now everything is capital here and you are finding the difference, that is what this is 20,000, not 20 lakh. Okay, wait a minute. So you are finding here okay, since it is 20 lakh to 20,000, so only 20,000 we are utilizing from here. Okay, 6667, sorry, 16,667, this is the figure. So what is the remaining amount? That is what? 3,333. 1 lakh is this and 30,000 is this and 26,667, and rest process you have already understood that that 80% 20% minority and holding will be there, and holding part will be out of pre for cost of control working note number 1 and post acquisition working note number 4. Okay, one more question I am getting from student, sir, why such has been reduced from P&L in the pre-acquisition. Beta, you can reduce from general reserve, you can reduce from security premium. Yes, very good. So beta, okay, no issue. Instead of this, you can reduce from security premium. There is no any issue. Okay, beta, don't worry. See, you can reduce from here. Instead of this, you can reduce from here. Okay, and then beta non-free as pre-acquisition, beta capital nature. Okay, beta non-free, yes, pre-acquisition period profit. Okay, so beta these are the concept which we have discussed. Beta, we have discussed about the bonus and we have also discussed about the abnormal loss. In the next class, we shall discuss the concept regarding the most important part of the question always in the exam, that is dividend. I request to all of you, beta, in the next class, please come with the revision of the concept of dividend, pre-acquisition and post-acquisition period dividend, final dividend, and interim dividend, so that we may practice fast. Okay, beta. So I'm looking for the message. Sir, I don't understand why want. Okay, वो तो हो गया discussion. Everything is crystal clear up to this, sir. Okay, sir, why added back not in security PM? Because beta, there was nothing which has been adjusted in the security premium. Nil effect was there. Okay, beta. Because opening balance was 30,000 and closing balance was 30,000. There was no any adjustment in the post acquisition. It means it is clear that in the post acquisition period there was nothing which has been reduced from the security premium. So we don't need to add back. Okay, बेटा अनमोल नहीं बेटा हम लोग अनमोल उसमें एड बैक नहीं कर सकते, मैंने बता दिया अभी, क्योंकि भाई 30,000 का बैलेंस है, 30,000 का बैलेंस है, जो शुरू में था 30,000 का बैलेंस लास्ट में था, तो इसका मतलब क्या है उसमें कोई चेंज हुआ ही नहीं है, इसका मतलब घटा ही नहीं है. ओके, आई कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड बोनस कैलकुलेशन सर, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन. ओके बेटा, बेटा बोनस कैलकुलेशन आप देखोगे बेटा, देखो बोनस कैसे दिया जाता है, 1:5 का रेशो है. जो भी एग्जिस्टिंग शेयर्स होंगे उन पर क्या होता है कि बोनस की डेट पर जो शेयर होल्डर्स होते हैं उनको पूछते हैं भाई तुम्हारे पास कितने शेयर थे, कितने शेयर्स थे, तो हम क्या करते हैं इंटू 1/5 कर देते हैं, तो हम कहते हैं भाई ये फ्री में ले ले चल. ठीक है, तो जो एग्जिस्टिंग शेयर्स है उसी पे तो कैलकुलेशन चलेगी. अब क्वेश्चन ने हमें पूरा तो बताया नहीं कि भाई कितने शेयर्स थे शुरू में, लेकिन ये पता है हमें हमारे शेयर बिफोर बोनस कितने थे. हमने क्या किया 1/5 निकाला, बोनस शेयर ऐड बैक कर ली, सॉरी ऐड कर दिए. सर बैलेंस शीट में कैपिटल में क्या आएगा अबाउट इक्विटी, बेटा कुछ नहीं 1 लाख क्या आएगा. ओके सर थैंक यू, इट वाज रियली अमेजिंग सेशन. ओके बेटा थैंक यू. सर आज की क्लास इतिहास के पन्नों में लिखी जाएगी. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्लास. थैंक यू बेटा. ओके सर थैंक यू. अच्छा वी विल प्रैक्टिस अलॉट. एड बैक राइट साइड में किया तो लेस इधर से क्यों बेटा, राइट साइड में कहाँ पे बेटा, कहाँ पे, अच्छा इधर बेटा, वो क्योंकि घटा वहां से था ना बेटा, राइट साइड में से घटा हुआ था इसीलिए बेटा. ओके सर कीप स्माइलिंग. यस बेटा ऑलवेज. सर जी योर टीचिंग इज बेस्ट. थैंक यू. ओके थैंक यू सर. ऑल क्लियर सर. अमेजिंग क्लास. ओके थैंक यू सर. सर एक बार लास्ट बार बता दो आंसर कि एंड में प्री और पोस्ट अमाउंट को किस वर्किंग नोट में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. ओके बेटा ओके डोंट वरी. दिस वन, these all will be transferred to working note number 1, cost of control. I am writing COC. Okay beta, and these will be transferred to working note number 4, that is what, consolidated reserve and surplus. Only the holding part, only the holding part, not minority part. Minority part will be added to minority only. Okay beta. Sir अच्छा next. सर 1 लाख का को 80 और 20% डिवाइड फॉर माइनॉरिटी इंटरेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट की पोस्ट के लिए. नहीं समझ पा रहा हूं मैं आपकी बात, क्या कह रहे हो बेटा वैशाली. सर 1 लाख को 80 और 20% डिवाइड फॉर माइनॉरिटी इंटरेस्ट. बेटा 20% तो बेटा वो बोनस था ना. अगर हमारे 100 शेयर शुरू में थे तो 1/5 कितना बनते बताओ. अगर 100 शेयर हमारे शुरू में थे बेटा, देखो गुड़िया बेटा, अगर 100 शेयर हमारे शुरू में थे तो 1/5 के हिसाब से कितने बनते हैं बेटा 20, तो यानी कि एंड में कितने होंगे 120। ठीक है, तो हमने एक रेशो बना लिया कि भाई अगर 100 शेयर शुरू में थे बिफोर बोनस, तो आफ्टर बोनस कितने रहेंगे। हमने निकाला, रेशो लगाया 1/5 100 का, तो बन गया कितना 20, यानी 120 हो गए होंगे। यानी कि 1 लाख का हमें पता है, इसका मतलब क्या 1 लाख के अंदर 20/120 हमने क्या किया बोनस निकाल लिया, 120 के अंदर 20 बोनस है, तो 1 लाख के अंदर कितना वो हमने निकाल लिया। एनीवेज सर फेस वैल्यू 1 ले सकते हैं नरेश। नरेश बेटा क्यों ऐसी बातें कर रहे हो, मैं रो दूंगा। तुम्हें बचपन बीत गया, जवानी बीतने को है, बुढ़ापा आने को है, शैतानो नाराज मत हो ना, देखो मजाक कर रहा हूँ है ना। तो ये तो बताओ, ये तो हमें शुरू से बताया गया ना, कुछ ना बोले तो हमें 10 मानना है बेटा हमेशा, वो इसीलिए तो सिखाई जाती प्री अजम्पशन शैतान। और फर्स्ट टाइम कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो तुम, तुम कम्युनिकेट तो किया करो बेटा, है ना। नरेश मुझे बताना समझ में आ गया कि नहीं। स्वाति सर ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज ऑलवेज प्री एक्विजिशन, यस बेटा। क्लोजिंग बैलेंस इज ऑलवेज पोस्ट एक्विजिशन, यस बेटा। द डिफरेंस इज पोस्ट एक्विजिशन, एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, गुड़िया बहुत प्यारा बेटा, वेरी गुड। एंड आफ्टर इट एड बैक टू प्री एक्विजिशन एज होल्डिंग, आफ्टर इट इज एडेड बैक टू, बेटा एडेड बैक किसमें होगा पोस्ट वाले में। ओके सर प्लीज वंस अगेन एक्सप्लेन यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फंड इन बोनस इशू। बेटा बोनस आपका बेटा ये बेसिक में आपने पढ़ा था कि हम बोनस जब इशू करते हैं तो हम सबसे पहले कैपिटल के प्रॉफिट को यूटिलाइज करते हैं, उसके बाद रिवेन्यू पर हाथ डालते हैं। ठीक है बेटा, तो कैपिटल के प्रॉफिट कहाँ होते हैं हमारे पास प्री में। अगर मान लें इस क्वेश्चन में बेटे प्री में कोई बैलेंस नहीं बचता, तो फिर हम क्या करते, फिर हम पोस्ट वाले में घटाते। अगर मान लिया प्री में कम अमाउंट होता, जितना अमाउंट होता वहां से घटाते, और फिर हम क्या करते पोस्ट में से घटाते, ये क्वेश्चन होते हैं। एनीवेज ओके बेटा, अनमोल क्लियर है बेटा, थैंक यू फॉर एनर्जेटिक सेशन। ओके बेटा, ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में इक्विटी बैलेंस कितना होगा बेटा, यू कैन कैलकुलेट इजीली बाय 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 120। ओके बेटा, सर तो 100 हम एज्यूम कर रहे हैं क्या, हाँ बेटा हम इक्वेशन ही तो फ्रेम कर रहे हैं बेटा, क्योंकि हमारे पास शेयर तो है नहीं। अगर 100 होते तो 1/5 लगा करके 20 बोनस के आ जाते हैं, तो 120 हमारे क्लोजिंग में बनते। इसका मतलब क्लोजिंग में अगर 120 है तो उसके अंदर 20 बोनस है, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ 1 लाख के अंदर कितना बोनस है, ये हमें नहीं पता था नॉमिनल वैल्यू के बारे में। अरे बाप रे, अच्छा ओके माधव, हाँ 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 हाँ, थैंक यू सर, ऑल क्लियर सर, समझ में आ गया, थैंक यू सो मच सर, क्लियर सर। ओके एवरीवन, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू क्लोज द सेशन। आई विल again upload the today's PDF, okay, and I will again I will be again waiting for your feedback as usual always, uh, at the Google review and also the feedback in the ICAI portal. Okay, so can I now close the session? Is there any doubt for this? Sir, bonus shares are also added to calculate holding percentage. Yes beta, because beta that depends स्वाति कि बोनस हमारा कब हुआ, हमारे एक्विजिशन के बाद में हुआ, तो इसका मतलब हमें भी बोनस मिलेगा। ठीक है ना स्वाति, समझ लो मेरी बात को। अगर हमने जिस डेट को खरीदा, अगर उसके बाद में बोनस शेयर इशू हुआ तो यानी हमें भी बोनस मिलेगा, फिर तो हमारे शेयर्स भी ऐड किए जाएंगे ना बेटा। और अगर हमने हमारे आने से पहले बोनस इशू हो गया ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, सपोज अप्रैल का ओपनिंग बैलेंस दे रखा है और हमने 1 अप्रैल को नहीं खरीदे होते, जून में बोनस इशू हो गया और हम जुलाई में खरीद रहे होते, तो हमें बोनस ना मिलता, क्योंकि उस डेट पे जो शेयर होल्डर होते हैं उन्हीं को मिलता है ना। उस केस में नहीं जोड़ेंगे हम। ठीक है सर, सर बोनस शेयर्स आर आल्सो एडिड, अच्छा सर अकॉर्डिंग टू लो सोर्स बोनस है ना। यस बेटा, गुड नाइट सर, इट्स द टाइम टू किसको। यस सर जी, आई एम सीनियर सिटीजन, प्लीज लीव। वाह, सीरियसली देवराज, आर यू सीरियसली सीनियर सिटीजन, क्योंकि फेस टू फेस में हमारे वहाँ पे कई काफी बड़े बड़े लोग पढ़ने आते थे, काफी एजेड, तो हम उनको फिर सर बोला करते थे, वो हमें सर बोला करते थे, हम उनको सर बोला करते थे। सर आज का नोट्स आप भी अपलोड करोगे, हाँ बेटा पक्का। गुड नाइट सर, आप भी डिनर कर लीजिए, थैंक्स अ लॉट। ओके एवरीवन, बाय बाय। I will again die heartily waiting for your feedback at Google review and also at ICAI portal. Bye बच्चों, bye bye। सर क्लास ओवर कर दीजिए।